for a second, guys, and we'll get the whole event started. Awesome. So hello, welcome to the community meetup. This is an event we run every Sunday, 4 p.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. Pacific.
Can you turn off the quiet,
what
please?
this is... Sorry?
Can you turn off the quiet, please?
Quiet, please. Off.
Thank you.
Hey guys, can we be quiet, please?
Never mind then.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Anyways, welcome to the community meetup. This meetup we do every Sunday, 4 p.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. Pacific. What this is it's an event for you guys to show off the content you're working on in VRChat, world-related content. So what's going to happen when I'm done talking, I'm going to ask you guys to run up to this circle I'm standing in, and I will kind of write your names down sequentially as I see you. If you have any time constraints, just let me know. We don't care if we, shuffle people around. With that said, there's a couple of rules before I ask everybody to run up. Number one, make sure the world you're showing can hold up to 40 people. If it does not, you can quickly change it on the website. Make sure the portal you drop is Friends Plus or Invite Plus, one of the two. That's just so we can get people in after the fact if they crash, leave, go do something, whatever. Please make sure the content you're showing follows TOS, community guidelines, all that fun stuff. If your content has copyrighted content in it, more specifically music, please just let us know. It's not banned or anything. You can still show it. It's just so people who are streaming the event can mute their streams. So then that way some sort of auto flagging system doesn't, give them a strike or DMC or whatever to mute. Please make sure the avatar you are wearing is of medium performance rank or better. If it is not, we will one by one personally walk up to people and ask them to change avatars or leave. Please select CyanLaser's avatar and my avatar, and in your menu, select Show Avatar. That way we can bypass your safety settings because we do have little notifications that we can make pop up to give you context as to what we need you to do to help keep the event running smoothly. So when you see respawn, that typically means we're moving on. If you see quiet, please, it typically means I need everybody to be quiet for a sec because somebody would like to speak possibly about, the next world, or we need to make an announcement or whatever. Please make sure the world you are showing also, if it exceeds, let's say 200 megabytes, please let us know, as we would like to have larger worlds a bit closer to the end. Let me get rid of that respawn real quick. There we go.
Thank you.
Just so people with slower internet can download a lot of the smaller worlds first, and we can just kind of progressively move on throughout the event to bigger and bigger worlds, and that way people with slower internet can enjoy the event just as much. And then one more thing, and this is something I'm going to start bringing up just because it was kind of brought up to me today. If you do not know what's going on, why you're being asked to be quiet, or why we're circling around, this is the community meetup. This is an event in the community, in the VRChat events Discord. If you want to join this event every week or other events, you can get to this event by going to vrchatevents.com. There's a Discord link at the very bottom of the website. Click that, join the Discord, and then subscribe to the community meetup channel, and you'll get pings whenever we do this event with a link to join the instance. With that said, that's everything I have to say. Let me just, my phone's gone to sleep. Let me just unlock my phone. Go to open the Discord app. I should have had this ready. Go to the VRChat events Discord server.
Pin Goblux because we can't pin notifications yet.
Oh yes, please keep an eye on my message. Unfortunately, we cannot pin notifications. That privilege has been taken away from us.
Why?
Exactly. So yeah, if you have something you want to show, please run up now, and I'll write you down as I see you. Awesome. Running.
Oh, we've got a lot of people today. A lot of worlds.
Okay, so a little thing for when we have a lot of people, we can sometimes go through the worlds pretty quickly because we do try to wrap things up before 7 p.m. Eastern. That's about 3 hours. Otherwise, if we gave everybody like 20 minutes to 25 minutes, we'd be here for like 6 hours.
Looks like 13 people up here today. 14.
Squid, can you put me at the end?
Absolutely. Let me just space you out and put,
Just know we'll probably have like what 10 minutes per person.
and then just write everything above you.
Are you showing off what you put on Twitter?
Yeah, that's why I want to go at the end.
It'll be interesting to see how people react.
Yeah, I don't know if we'll be able to load it though. We might have to split into groups if we can do that because it's like it's
So
not
I mean,
super performant heavy, but I'm at 20 frames just.
I ask, please, that while you're standing up here, that you not move around too much.
I was gonna say like,
Just so I
if it
don't
is a
accidentally
performance-heavy
break
issue,
down
like
twice.
it might be better to
We're
show
gonna
it
go
next
over
week, just so like
afterwards, but it's
people
still
could
good to
like
kinda-
take more advantage of it if like longer timing. But like, it's honestly up to you though. It's still gonna be interesting to see based on what you show on Twitter.
People today.
It's like 14.
Hoping if I'm at the end, like, and it's so
Yeah.
long, people will get bored and mostly leave, and there'll be less people. That's
Just hope somebody or people crash like in one of the other worlds. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Hopefully, right before me is like a 300 megabyte massively unoptimized world. What I really want to test, even if like it gets to the end and it feels like not a good idea to show it, is either you or someone with full body, because there's kicking and you.
Oh,
can,
kicking.
In theory, you can like kick walls into pieces.
That'll be interesting.
And he was punching everything, but he was like, you could probably just like roundhouse kick this building to pieces. So I want to see if that's actually a thing.
Mm-hmm.
Where did I put you? You are close to the bottom. I put you fourth last. Alrighty. So with that said, just in case I missed anybody, I'm just going to go over the list real quick in order. If you need to be moved around, let me know. So we've got Varnian, Aaron, Mr. Dummy, Alt Centri, Toby, Hens, Sasha Mason, TWK Templar, Funi, Vittori Nianai, Draken, Garibo, Phase Dragon, and then Dinky. Didn't miss anybody? Okay, good. I am posting that, please. That's absolutely fine. Let me just move that around.
Well, I gotta check something on my computer, so I'm gonna be in a really awkward position.
Cut. Top. Nobody claimed first, Tori, so if you want, do you want to go first? And Barney, are you okay with giving up first? Cool. Okay. Poppy first. There we go. Paste. There we go. So, you guys are good. If you want, you can go sit back down. Tori, do you have anything you need to say about your world before we get going? If so, I'll just unlock the center so people can hear you.
You should be able to. Now. Yep.
So, the world I will be showcasing first has a lot of features to it and several things to it, but there's one button I would like people to not touch, and I'll be standing next to it when we enter.
Prepare the do not touch. Okay.
Maybe at the end of it, but not while we're doing the start of it.
Would it be a good idea to put the touch nothing before going in? I'll just flash this. People maybe will read it. Remember what they said. Don't touch the button. The button. But okay. Just like the ghost.
you cut off. It literally said, don't touch it, but it was you that it tried to go after. I thought it was Lakuza, but it was you. Yep, that's good.
What is with this like wimpy jump?
Well, that's just that, but you look funny when you do it. You look like you're doing a little jig.
Well, no, it's like Avatar 3.0 is just like it replaces all the animations, and I really don't like that. Portal.
Alright.
And Hamsky's not even second. He's still not even 20th. Look at the portal.
You guys can go first.
Wow, there's a lot of people today.
I'll just stay here.
We're already at 60, and you know the world has.
The weirdest thing is
It says it has 22 people still in here.
Never mind, thank you very much.
We might be full today.
That was funny because he was like, I'm going in first, and he just goes back.
The funny thing is, no one showed up to the early instance. It was just me and like 3 people for like.
It says we have 14 people in here, so it's like we're past full.
No, it's not the fun, it's the nice number.
Okay,
Come on.
every man for
I'm gonna go through.
himself. I like it.
Alright. Bye, people. Yep, gonna be a long meetup.
This many people.
Oh gosh.
Myself bumping into too much stuff, so I had to bring my height down. There's just too
Where's the
these worlds that have,
where's the
like,
creator?
doorways that you can't get through, you know? Where you're like constantly like
Oh,
this.
there you are. Do you want to explain anything? I guess while people are still loading in.
Well, I guess I could explain one thing.
Mhm.
And that would be regarding the availability of this one. This is an upcoming update, so it's not released yet.
Oh, people are just kind of. Wait, is this the button you're not supposed to touch?
Yeah, the thing is that it's actually set to toggle the entire world.
Everybody will die if they touch it.
No, nobody will die. But it's basically a toggle button for swapping between local and global setting.
I mean, I'm already seeing some people hitting like global stuff.
Well, everything is global right now.
Oh, okay. Because I mean, I saw somebody hit the mirror and then it turned on.
Yeah, exactly. Everything's global right now, but if I click this button, it will be local for everyone. So it's for testing purposes.
Yeah. Would you want to explain anything now? I guess I'm just gonna assume everybody's in.
Well, I did add the descriptions of basically everything, so people can actually read it.
True.
Oh, is that the creator?
Oh yeah, he's the creator.
Yes.
Oh, hey, what's going on? This is a really organized and cool test room. Yeah, we just
Yeah, it's actually a demo of a code library.
Okay.
Oh, my
So
frames.
it's actually downloadable. It's just that this is an upcoming update, so it's not been released yet.
What is the jump so high?
Since it's like everyone's saying it's really fast paced and everything, but do you mind if you would like add us? Me and Templar, we work on worlds all the time and stuff. Would you mind if you would like add us on Discord, and we can send you into Discord like help group that we have and stuff, and like share information of how we do stuff and like go over Udon code and stuff together if you would like.
That wouldn't be too bad of an idea, I guess.
Okay, that'd be awesome. Because I feel like we can learn a lot from you because you seem like you got a really good insight on what's going on with like Udon stuff with like all these like different scripts and everything.
I've been working on Udon since it first came out, and this thing I've been working on since May actually.
Oh, okay. Because this is Templar. He's the one who taught me everything I know about Udon. He teaches me like C# and everything.
The funny thing is that I actually completed most of the code in here in first month. I've been a bit lazy.
Really? Oh wow. That's actually really impressive and stuff. Because if you already know
This
C#,
is
then
the one we
it's
shouldn't do.
Yeah, this is the button for
Don't touch this one.
Don't touch this one,
for
okay.
testing purposes.
Let's say Udon toggles variable. Okay. Alright, what else
Yeah,
we
that
got?
actually turns everything in
That
the
means we
world
can touch
local.
the other ones.
Touch everything but that button.
Fiona's running around touching. I like how you're here too. Like you're both like just standing here making sure.
Oh, I'm not making sure. I'm just here to listen.
There's only 2 or 3 scripts in this world that will probably glitch if people touch it too much, but I don't think anything here should actually give a problem.
Okay, now I apologize. Did you say this map is for downloading to like study?
Yeah, it's for actually usage. It's
Okay.
it's a piece of code.
Oh, where at?
Well, it says there.
Anyway, have a nice day.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Until the next meetup.
All right. You have a nice day too.
Because this would be a really good study to play around with.
Screenshot this legacy reprojection on Steam here, and it usually more of the like blurring.
Oh, I'm gonna take a picture with my camera too.
Not sure where Squid is. No, I don't see him.
Hmm?
You were saying something last week. I think it was last week.
Say again?
About synchronized objects. What was it?
Oh, if you have an object, pretty much like an object with physics that is synced,
If it's got physics and it's synchronized, right?
uncheck collision transfer, or like because there's like a bug currently.
Because I want to actually
Mhm.
make code that people can learn.
It might be named differently in Udon, I don't remember, but like,
No, it's the same.
Because this
is it?
this
Okay.
is designed for people who don't know coding at all.
Thanks.
Yeah. I thought they fixed it at one point, but I guess not.
I haven't seen the issue pop up recently. The last time I saw it was like a month ago, so...
Oh, I mean, we had it in the last meetup.
Been any major...
I think in 2 worlds.
Oh, the collision?
Yeah, the exact, or like the lag because of pickups.
I tried to make it in a node graph system, but because of the compiler bugs, I couldn't make it work properly. So I had to swap over to a sharp. And in all honesty,
Is that
actually
jump
works way
really that
better
high, or is it, are they using
beginners
something?
because
No, they're just
the assistive.
I'm not jumping.
high jump with high gravity, it seems.
Assistive tools. I actually made something that would probably be interesting for you guys regardless. And that is,
Alright. How fast do we need to go today?
Good
Given so
question.
many people?
Where's Squid? Because I'm assuming he was doing timing.
I
Oh, I
don't
should
know,
check
there's so many
Discord.
people.
Can't join?
We got 1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay,
5,
is Squid still in here?
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Alright guys, hunt for Squid.
People.
Find the Squid. When we find him, we gather around him.
Why don't you just respawn people then? Then you can find a squid.
Dude, if you ever get sweaty, you just press a button and get dipped into it.
Okay. Well, I don't know who's next on the list though.
Barnian.
Okay. Oh, is Squid in here? Oh. Wait, what's happening?
Okay.
What, is something broken? I can't tell. Like, is it? Are you respawn breaking for you? What? Oh, I don't know. I guess I'm not fully understanding, but I think there's people who can't get into the instance. So it's like
Yeah, we're basically over the limit.
we're over the limit. Okay. But I was just gonna say, like, I think we should be moving on.
Hey, yeah, let's move on. Sorry, my crashed out.
Oh, okay. That's why I was looking for you. We can find it.
Can be here.
But yeah, I think Varnian's next.
Get that from looking at the portal and the player counts down.
Okay. All right. Is there anything you want to say before your world or showing or dropping a portal?
Yeah, just a disclaimer.
Okay. Let me find quiet,
Everyone's
please.
gonna hear it because
My frames.
Goblin, I don't know the context behind anything. Please cook it.
No, what the fuck is happening to the floor?
Let me turn off that so
Once
you can
again,
see the
This
respawn.
world is going to have the same music player, so my own playlist is safe for streams. And what I want you to do is just try to find the hierarchy panel in the world and the inspector and just play around with it and just try and find some secrets. This is going to be fun.
Find the secrets.
Can I slap you with some money?
Frames, please. I don't. No more. No money. I'm dying. I have like 6 frames. Stop! You're killing me. You're executing me. Stop! Stop with the money.
The 20 frames. Where even is?
I have like 13.
Wait, what? Why is jump is small again?
While you're at the event, do you think you can find a medium or better performing avatar? You can always use one of the public.
Portal.
Here we go. This one's gonna get fancy.
Let's get going through that portal.
What is this?
Oh my god,
I'm at 45 because we lost 54.
So this is VRChat.
Okay, we have less than 40 people, so it's like we're not at the limit anymore.
How many people are here? Oh shit. Holy fuck.
Almost. I'm almost there.
You got this. You got this.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. Or not. Oh, he's already at it in labs. I forgot I can just check the frame rate here. That was loud.
Oh, no. This is different. I'm glad we did it last year, but it's going to be
70 so far?
27 frames. We have a bunch of cameras.
You can zoom that. This is top left one. Badly. Turn my resolution.
Money! Set me free. Set my frames free.
I should turn off nameplates. Wait, why is it so like...
Take the money.
Okay, I took the money.
Hey, no, this is mine. I'm trying to throw them at you.
I turned nameplates off. I just have to guess who you are. Because you haven't even loaded yet. Yep, that's it.
Who do you think I am listening to this voice?
Now we got some.
That's who I thought it was.
Forever to show all 80 people join. Oh, there we go. Ooh, check this out.
Okay, I'm gonna go find the hierarchy thing that he was talking about.
Do this,
I do see the money.
flying away from it.
Well, you know what?
Hey Fiona, look, I'm throwing money. Yeah,
How does it work? Because this one's not doing it.
I'm throwing money at you, Fiona.
You know what? Everyone should throw money at me. VGL bucks.
Oh! You actually have to do it. Okay, so I just see the money floating. I can't see your hands to see that you're doing this.
Yeah, I don't see your avatar yet.
Cyan. Here, I'm gonna give you a tip. You know what? I'm cheap. Ones only. Ones. We're gonna put them in your little pockets there. Here's one for this pocket, and this pocket, and this pocket.
Oh, you finally loaded.
And this pocket.
Okay, I gotta go find the hierarchy thing so I can see the secrets.
Downstairs. Downstairs.
It's so laggy, but it's just like money everywhere.
Can you do quiet please for a sec?
Okay, hold on.
There's one option that can save from some frames.
Okay. You should probably go back to spawn down here.
Okay, please listen to me for a sec. We're running out of time pretty quickly, so if you could all just come down to this hierarchy panel right here, and just open up the hierarchy so that you can see Udon showcases, and under that there is security cameras. Disable security cameras game object. That can save you some frames. I can see nothing.
What?
I see nothing. There's nothing.
I think that actually did give me back my frames. What happens if you like uncheck the route? Do I die? It gets rid of everything?
So it is just white for me. However, I
You have to go to the very top and do the drop down.
I see root. That's it.
like that tiny little thing. Okay, got it.
Oh, that's a lot better, kind of.
There we go.
It doesn't work.
Is it on the options?
I love that avatar you are. Your voice fits it, and it makes it great. Your voice fits it. Oh, I met one of your friends yesterday. And he's like, wait a minute.
And now I am sweating every day at 4 p.m. It's like the hottest it's ever been in this room. Oh jeez.
Are you in it every day at 4 p.m.?
Everything off. Oh my god.
Yeah. Hello.
But when I'm in VR, it's like
I turned off TV and Udon Showcase.
Oh, Udon Showcase. Okay, let's turn that off.
Oh no. Oh no.
Still like 20, but slightly better.
Oh, what is that?
Scroll view is broken for some reason. I'm gonna
That's
fix that for
the
next update.
join list.
Why does it say 78 out of 72?
Oh, I see 79. 7 out of 70.
There's too many people in here.
No, I mean I don't know what the like blank out of blank is.
I saw 79 out of 71.
On the video player, I didn't load one of the songs, and then when I did load a song, it did not clear the error. Oh, I don't know if you can hear me.
The error.
You have to click on the arrow.
The error you have to manually just click.
To make something.
Oh, you just click it. Okay.
Something went wrong.
Got it.
Just click
Okay.
it.
Okay, cool.
We're just losing people. They might not hear me. Damn, we lost a lot of people.
Kevin having a
Did
bit of
we?
an issue sorting out the mechanics that would be best for this kind of thing, so.
Instance lifetime? Oh, I guess it's that in there.
I think they were literally lagging hard, probably.
Because I would really love to have the self-updating list that actually keeps the record of who was here before.
Mm-hmm. Well, wait, I don't think it says who's been here before. It just says like, I guess who's currently here.
That, Cyan. Is that something it could remember of everyone who has ever been in the instance?
In theory, yes, but like you can only save like strings for so long.
Yeah,
Or-
if you're using Fruity Hog, then we can hear you, but I don't think you
I think from what I found, like it can't have strings longer than 32. Isn't it in the hierarchy?
in terms of voice and
Wait, what?
Yeah, it's
Things can be longer than 42?
found in mirror.
I don't know if I would want to find it.
Completely. Every full.
That means you...
82!
We are hard capped. We're hard capped.
It says 82 though.
I think you're very out of sync.
I don't think that that's necessarily accurate. I just counted the social menu and we were at least 79, and it was like updating. People are coming and going, you know.
Yeah, because you know the menu is still showing us joining.
Barney? Hello. Am I correct to say that there's supposed to be a car somewhere here?
No, it's not in this yet. I'm gonna make a special showcase for that. So it's coming soon.
It was sick ride though.
Yeah. It's gonna be available soon.
I don't care anymore.
So I'm guessing Udon doesn't handle plus 40 very well.
I don't know if that's the issue.
I need a What?
Your screams in
Hey, I just
Most of
changed
the stuff
it.
here is local, so.
Why?
Wait, what?
They're
I don't know. They're all. They're. My bad.
Oh, okay.
Very terrifying shrieks.
It's entertaining.
I wanted Panda or anyone to scream. I wanted Lakusa to scream. I guess he's not a screamer.
I mean, that was the reason he didn't play the third map. He was too scared.
Which one was that? Asylum or?
No, Lakusa.
High
Like,
school? High school?
we just did the same room again.
Oh yeah, he left.
Oh.
I forgot he bailed out.
Oh.
Oh,
Where? Oh, there.
Oh, hello?
Oh, there. Oh, there.
Okay. Oh, hello everybody. Hey, okay, first, before I even show you the world, there's a lot of music, so if you're streaming, just turn your music down to 0. And if you're like, the music's really loud in this world, so if you want, turn your music down to 70% or 80%. So like, if you want to turn your music volume down, because the music is loud, but it's pretty good. If you like the music, then you can like it. But it's, I made a bounce around world, so we're all gonna go there and have fun.
Quick suggestion on sounds though, I would suggest aiming for 75 to begin with, just because like, you know, if you make it 100 and somebody thinks it's too quiet, then like you can't turn it up. So 75 is a good thing to aim for. Just a world tip.
Oh, okay. So you mean when you put the music in the world to begin with?
Yeah. Aim for like audio level 75 because that's default in VRChat.
Oh, okay. That's probably why it's so loud.
I'm sorry, what was that?
I come up with a volume because I make it at 0.3.
Oh no, not the actual volume of the like sound source, but just like when you are in the game, aim for that being comfortable at 75, like VRChat volume. Hi, just like passing the money.
Alright, let's give it a try.
We're gonna jump in.
Thank you.
Oh, I love as well.
Hey, what are you doing? Get in the portal.
Don't stop him, he's paying the portal.
Delicious. I think you're scared.
I mean, yeah, give me some more.
Don't worry, it's only a 1.
You're doing it wrong.
Alright, I'm going in. I need to keep checking Discord and see if I miss anything. What is okay? What?
Let's get going. Ooh, how many frames we got at?
Oh, there he is. What's going on? Oh, my frames can't turn that way. Oh, bye VRChat. Did VRChat actually die on me? Yeah, VRChat died. Let's restart apparently. Oh, hopefully my hands are still good. Wait, hopefully I can actually get back in. Don't join on me, people. Don't join on me.
What's wrong with you? Why
What?
do you keep floating?
I just crashed.
Why do I keep seeing you? Oh, you were like stuck midair for me when you were loading in. Okay.
I mean, now I have to wait for everybody to load again, but like, yeah, I just crashed and then like, I was up there, I turned my head and crashed. I don't know what I looked at, but yeah.
Yeah, I was in that one. I don't know why.
It's literally called Bounce Around World. So it looks like every bouncy house is just a bouncy house with different song.
Oh, it's a
So
different
I think we're
song.
gonna yeah, so they sound like they are all in fact copyrighted because like that one was the Beatles and then we had.
He did say it was like turn off your sounds.
Yeah, yeah. I don't care. I won't stay on them for long enough. I've never gotten a copyright issue
I think it's
on
like
Twitch.
at 30 seconds or something. Then it's. I don't think you. I think there's some minimum amount you can play and not have to pay for it or something.
I know that, like, I have gotten it on YouTube, but like, I'm trying now to avoid it because I have to mute like the entire like that portion. Wait, what am I missing? Where?
Yeah, I've got it hidden, I think.
No?
See the Burger King?
Oh, I see the pickup, yes, but I don't see what the avatar is. The person holding.
I'm so sorry for your loss. I'm
This is a cousin. Can I have a taste?
Okay, I'm gonna.
How
I'm
many
gonna go
bounce
get-
houses
I'm gonna
are
do,
there?
Like 3 bounces per house and see what we've got.
Oh wait, I'm gonna see if I can get on top of that. How do you get out there? Oh. In this world? Oh, I was just saying, like, how do you get out there?
You jump up here and then you jump up to there. There's like a platformer.
What is that? Oh no! Oh no! Oh, I'm dead. Found the Burger King.
Hey, do you want to be on one of these? Because I can buy. I can.
I think it's pretty high. I gotta get a 3000 series.
At least say that you can make a milkshake, not actual burger.
Hello. There's actually a Burger King out there.
How? I know. I saw. Where do you think I got the burger from?
Oh, I didn't realize.
Forwarded a complaint.
Forwarded the complaint.
There's a whole kind of like jumping platforming puzzle to get to the top of that hot air balloon. It's actually really fun.
I tried it. I didn't get a one bounce and I just fell off. It's like that's when I saw the Burger King.
No. Yeah, apparently most of these don't have colliders and you can just shoot out of them.
All right, I'm gonna go try again. It's sad how quiet this is. Not having any of the music, which is just copyrighted. Is that a bar? Is that a Teletubby bar? Not just any bar, Teletubby bar. Oh. Where am I supposed to go from here? Like, does this one just launch you? Yes, it does just launch you. Oh, I don't expect to make this. Cheat. I missed.
Dinky, why did you guys respawn?
What do you mean? There's a long train track. I got bored.
Which one's your favorite?
You're right,
Oh.
baby, you're right.
I mean, I haven't tried that many, so I guess like. I mean, it's interesting that you have the jumping puzzle.
Air. Yeah. You know speedrun by Moon, the Udon map?
Ah, no.
I can't help
Also, no offense, but your body tracking your waist though.
Yeah, your hip's a little high on one side.
Hey, are we stealing, bro? We stealing flowers?
Here we go. Where do you get a gecko taco from? We're gonna hide this. This is not cannibalism. We're gonna hide this, okay? This gotta be hidden. You didn't see anything. The laughing lizards don't eat each other. They're not cannibals. It's not canon. You didn't see anything. Father God, I'm gonna tell you a secret. If you go up on the top of that train, if you go on that train, you go in there, that's the super bounce.
The super bounce.
There's also
the super bounce.
ship one.
Okay, super bounce.
Flower. Can you bro? Oh shit, you wait.
There's a big world underneath this world.
I was told it was a super bounce.
The super bounce. How do we get to the super bounce? So some of this is colliders, others don't.
Hey, dude. Okay. Alright.
Oh, there's the primitive staircase. That's no, it's not even a primitive. Never mind.
It's it's not even have a smooth collider. Damn it.
No.
Oh, that's annoying.
Don't fall backwards. It takes a while to get back up.
Oh
Oh yeah, it's udon. Oh my god, this is awful.
We're gonna get regaled before we even get to the top. Just watch. Oh no!
Wait, oh shit! Do we actually make? I almost fucked up. Wait.
How do you get in? See? I told you!
Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Oh, just jump. Okay. Oh, we're past the clipping plane. Bye, world! Can I even respawn? No! Okay, I'm back. You can't respawn.
That was nuts.
Who are we listening to?
Me for a second.
Oh, hi.
So we're going to
Presentation mode.
That's some kind of a menu thing going on there.
Feels bad, man.
What are you doing?
You know, guys, every time I come here, every weekend, and I do this,
No, it's okay, Squid. It's okay, Squid. She didn't read it. She didn't read it. Have a giant hamburger.
Hey guys, can we hold conversation, please, just for a second? Awesome. So we're gonna be going to Mr. Dummy's world. So for those of you who don't know, they are deaf, and they did tell me that they have a keyboard somewhere in the world that they will most likely show us where it is, where we can type in questions to ask them. So with that said, if you can interpret what I'm saying, drop the portal. Portal?
Explain the portal, okay?
Squid, maybe use the portal thing.
Yes.
I have information between about keyboards and subtitles, so you can read a bit. Okay?
Okay. Can anyone translate that?
I don't think you can. He said wait a bit, so like only a few people in at a time, and then don't touch anything, probably.
Yeah, no touchy, no touchy.
No touchy. Cyan, get ready with the no touchy.
I guess I have to go in first then.
Okay, then I'm gonna go back to jumping.
Yep.
Jet in there. Also, that jump was super fucking tall. Holy shit.
I said respawn will go up and you couldn't.
Let's give it a try. People.
So wait, am I actually supposed to put the touch nothing?
Nice.
There's a lot of.
This is nice.
Nice. Look at this. We got some udon fanciness happening. I like how it says Fuma joined and then the table flipper. I don't know how to pronounce table flipper, but I'm just gonna call him table flipper.
Hey, look, the user list is empty.
Wait, what?
For me, it's correct. It's stuck
For me,
at
it's
42,
but
but
the user list for me says 0.
He's
with
got
no
a
one in.
keyboard somewhere in here.
for me,
He
it's
mentioned to me earlier he was
42.
using Udon keyboard. I just want to see what he did.
Keyboard.
Yeah.
Oh, second.
Let's leave it for now. Let's let Mr. Demi do this one. Ooh, lagging.
As people join.
This isn't my prefab.
I swear I got like dog
I'm pretty sure there was a like Japanese version. Nope. FSB already left.
Whoa, this is sweet.
Yeah, this is a nice looking place.
This is awesome.
I'm feeling this sofa.
Wait, the text written here is synced.
Yeah, it should be.
Ported over his SDK.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Is this like what Udashi is, I think? Oh, I'm not.
I'm assuming Udon chat wasn't performance enough for him, so he's not used Udon chat. I did try and optimize it though.
I'm not sure which one this was. I know there was like a Japanese prefab that was recently released.
Yeah, this is probably the Japanese prefab. Yeah, that was just sit chat side by side with people. I get it.
Yeah, the chat is a bit desynced because I just tried writing tests and I don't see anything happening.
Oh.
Maybe
I think you were just desynced.
I say hello, friends.
Yeah, I do see it.
Oh, great. Maybe I'm desynced.
Hey, it works again. So basically, if you're conversing with someone, you can like both use the keyboard and send reply to each other, basically.
I don't get it. Am I supposed to click on the text box above the keyboard and write something?
No, basically, okay, hang on. Let me try something.
Yeah, it's definitely a Japanese keyboard because it has the Japanese like options.
And how did you write something? Did you just click on this text box and then write it?
I didn't click the text box. It had like the start, and then I just clicked the buttons.
Okay.
And there.
I'm gonna try this keyboard then.
Oh.
You want us to push this?
Yeah, this explains the keyboard.
Okay. Oh, here we go. I can hear myself through someone, by the way.
Mr. Dummy has the mic, I guess.
Oh, is it you?
Wait, people went to the theater, I think. Like, what is up there?
There's like a dance club, more of like a nightclub up there. What's that way?
I want to type as well.
Can it be because there's not enough synchronization for it, so I don't have a synchronization thing for it?
I don't think that's what it is, but who knows?
Because I tried writing on both keyboards, doesn't show up.
You're supposed to sit in the chair before you start writing. Turn on the chair and then sit in it, then you're allowed to write. Only one person who's sitting in it.
Wait, I never sat in the chair. It just kind of worked.
That would be great.
Oh.
Maybe they sent the message. What?
No.
Hmm? Hmm. Oh, subtitled videos. This looks like a lot. Wait, are people? Cool. You got subtitles working.
Subtitles here. That's amazing. Subtitles. Okay.
Mr. Dummy. Mr. Dummy. Mr. Dummy.
Hey. Kijk op de. En hier is subtitles. Is voor de here is subtitles here.
Why is everyone talking about PCs today? You're hurting my
Oh,
tiny
yeah,
neighbor.
yeah.
Stop.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly. Its wings are too weak to get its fat little body off the ground.
Oh, we got Ruby. You watch now. I like how it's like it's not even like you are watching now. It's just like you watch now. You must.
Hell yeah!
Oop, that's not what I wanted.
Oh, now people are gonna all sit down and watch the whole show. Are you serious? You haven't seen?
Looks like it stays there.
I want to tell him something. It's kind of sketchy animation-wise, but it gets so good.
Is this Ruby?
Well, yeah.
This
so,
is Ruby, yes.
is it number one? Is it dubbed? Because if it's dubbed, then I can watch it while I'm working in Blender.
It's made by Rooster Teeth.
Originally dubbed, but and then they actually made a Japanese version.
It's.
Oh, is it Western?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. All right.
The creator, am I correct to remember that the creator actually
They dubbed it in Japanese, technically.
Got it. Okay. Well, and then maybe I'll watch that instead of.
the show in Japanese.
You could watch the whole first season.
I mean, it's anime, so I
an
assumed
hour
that
and
it
a
was
half.
Japanese. I know nothing, you guys. You have to understand that, like, you guys are like, you know, teaching me an entirely different culture.
Jojo, yes.
So this.
I like that.
Udon subtitles. Oh, neat.
Okay, so
This
remember
one
Yeah,
does
you
not
think-
contain any porn, so you're safe.
I also like
Okay.
videos.
No, what actually makes it really interesting.
Wait, I'm sorry.
is
I'm not
Temple
watching
are making
that.
the entire
me and Temple are making
all the
a
characters and everything are based off of different rules.
Oh, all the data. That's cool.
Subtitles in the video. Those are Udon subtitles.
Oh, nice.
This is a portable D-Fast. You can play video
That's cool to see it all.
Is that bad? Literally.
Only 200 lines? Interesting. Expected more.
They wanted to make space. They just made custom bunk beds.
Really?
I'm really impressed with the udon.
Though.
Oh yeah, here's the subtitle stuff. Neat.
What is going on?
Creator.
So I remember, was it Mr. Dummy that was working on the subtitle system, or are they implementing someone else's? Is it their subtitle system?
I'm pretty sure. Like, you created this?
Yeah, because someone in chat was saying, oh, so Mr. Dummy made it? Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I remember somebody was making it. So someone in chat is saying that they did make it, which is really cool because like I didn't realize that was not part of the video. That it's like this in purely Udon doing the subtitles.
It's not part of the video.
No, that's this world.
It's this. It's this.
That's
See?
fucking awesome.
They're adding it to there with the timestamps.
It's this one here.
That's really cool.
Oh god. Fucking love
Oh
it.
good, oh god, which one is it?
Which is actually really cool because if you had access to the subtitled data, then you don't need to encode and upload a video. You can use any video and then just attach your own subtitle data to it. That's really
How would that even
potentially
work?
useful, especially in this community. Yeah, oh, that's really cool.
That's
That means, Fiona,
that's
you
like the most
use the
useful thing
Japanese
ever.
subtitle, son. Well, I have no subtitle, son.
Right, I'm actually gonna push some money to my account.
Hello?
Everyone froze on my screen.
Wait, what are they called?
Oh, it looks like.
Desync sign.
What was that? Yeah, it looks like desyncing.
Audio quality is bad. Okay, yeah.
Oh, we're desyncing, and the microphone quality is gone.
Yeah.
Around, everyone else is frozen. I can still hear people. We're desyncing.
Yeah, we're desyncing. I see everyone frozen.
The desyncing is so bad that desync called and said, "What the hell?"
Okay, go back to the meetup world. I'm gonna put that on the shader up if you guys see it.
Are you putting up the new link, or should we use the previous link?
It's always the same link, so rejoin the previous link. So yeah.
Okey-dokey.
Okay. All you guys are frozen on my screen. I'm fine, but if you guys can hear me, somebody fucking crashed a bunch of us in here. I'm fine, but a bunch of you look like you've been crashed.
Just on the Discord server, if you're on the Meetup, like community Meetup server, there's a new link to go back to the community hub. You on the Discord.
Oh, look at that. What just happened? It just jumped around.
Incorrect client behavior or some shit like that.
Oh, look, I became a robot too!
It's not a bug. It's intentional behavior. Because if your avatar was causing something, then they give you the default one. But it's pretty funny.
Oh no, not again. No! No! Quite the meetup. Crashed again. Hopefully it's not actually the world. Oh no, can I even get back in? Restart VRChat. Definitely should not happen that way. Okay, try this again. No, controller, why you do this to me? Okay, I crashed again in here. Oh, I know. He told me that he was gonna have to leave an hour in.
Oh, Jim? Yeah.
Oh my god, you two totally match.
Oh wait, Jim, have you not met Kimble before? You've seen Kimble before.
Oh no. I run into them, I never talked to them.
Similar aesthetics.
Flip the table, do it, flip it. No.
I see.
Where's my camera?
I like it.
Why, thank you.
This is good.
What's happening? It's like stuttering. Sometimes.
Oh my god, you're so adorable together.
Let's see. Where is?
Thanks.
Okay, who's next? Who is next?
Templar? Who's over there?
Templar and then Centauri.
Templar, it is your turn. Do you have anything you want to say before going to your world?
Yeah, there is some things.
Hold on. I'll open up the center so you can speak to everyone. Alright guys, quiet down please. Oh, just lost track in here. It's Templar's world next, so be sure to listen to them. And we still have a lot of worlds on the list, so.
Okay. Alright, the next world is a really big snowy world. With like an igloo in the middle, and it's super cool. If you walk really far away, you'll run into like a giant drill. But there's music in it, and you might have to mute your world volume. Because I set it to no music as default, but you might just want to have that muted if you are streaming. And the little Orbeez, you can click on them, and they'll be like buttons, so you can toggle music and turn on lolly stands and all that. And I think that's it. Yes, I'm gonna drop the world portal now.
Can you do it outside the center?
Outside. Okay, move
Yes,
out of
and
this,
you know how the keyboard did not work for me in the other world, and suddenly I didn't see any new messages, right?
You didn't see any messages? Or you just didn't see any new?
Crash.
I think it just
saw
Udon.
4 messages and then I didn't see anymore. But Udon did not crash because I just checked my lock and I have all the locking stuff turned on.
Huh. So I mean, Udon networking is odd still. So who knows?
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
Networking works fine as long as you know how to use it.
Cool. So what is there a limit?
completely different thing going on in my head.
I have Udon chat works for 81 people.
Okay.
Hacked together alternate chat system because you didn't want to use Udon chat will not work for 81 people. It's a simple calculation. Do you want to use a working system? Do you want to use the non-working system?
I'm pretty sure the chat system was not the exact reason. There's just a lot of things going on in that world at once. But I don't know. I haven't touched Udon and or I have not actually seriously used Udon yet, so I can't talk.
Well, I mean, I wasn't thinking of a rotary phone. I was thinking like just.
Oh, what's going on in here?
Away.
You can just
There's no button for the always on mirror. Okay, Flower, you found the highest point in the actually I think the hill maybe here. So what did they say about if you went far enough you would get a
If you can either run
There'd be a drill apparently.
giant drill that's really poorly lit up, or you can hit this little Orbeez and you get teleported over there.
Oh no, we probably should stay with the circuit.
Hey, flashlight! Flashlight!
Oh no, flash.
Finally.
Well, I can surf on it.
Yeah, I also identify as a robot. It's that simple.
Damn, so dark here.
Oh, there's a real-time light in here?
Wait, why is gravity so low?
It's a mirror.
I wanted to mess around with the gravity system, and I didn't like it when the players started flying away with low gravity, so I gave them their own gravity system.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's a community meetup. People.
And actually, at the bottom of these lights, if you look at them, there's a button on the bottom that changes the light, and I love it.
All the colors. And then it floats away. So you're saying, like, was there more beyond this? Sorry, I got distracted a little bit. Where was it?
There is a giant tower just with like some spinning drills is all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just go this way.
Really far that way, or just try to push this button. And this is the giant tower.
So then, purposely get everybody to meet here.
Do you want me to put up a beacon?
I mean, I can also put on a beacon, but if you can do it in the world.
Okay. No, I don't have a world beacon. I just have like an avatar beacon.
I mean, I do too.
Oh, that one's better than mine.
You can see it from anywhere on the map, even past the clipping plane.
Just look that way. Just look that way, Cyan. Just look that way, and everything will be completely fine.
Wait, why? What's going on? What am I missing?
Well, if you look the other way, you can win the whole players.
Imagine walking in it. Am I right,
By the way,
Cyan?
Cyan, I have a question.
Hmm?
When you're on the igloo, in Unity, I can see the big tower, but the clipping planes in VRChat don't let me do that. What are your thoughts?
You'll have to check the settings on your reference camera if you have a reference camera. Unity's default is like, what is it, 1000? But like the editor view is not the same. So you would have to like increase that value and then set it as the reference camera in the VRChat descriptor or VRC world.
And that's what it would use as its settings?
Yes. So like that's how you do post-processing as well. So like you can add post-processing to that camera and then it'll also apply to the VRChat camera.
Oh my god, that's how you do it?
Yes.
I tried making a crappy post-processing system by this teleporting like a good 3 empties to a player's head, and then they would rotate in a specific way to make things like...
No. It's not that difficult. You just like install post-processing from the package manager and just put that on the the reference camera, and then you set the reference camera in the settings, and then it's like it all just gets applied.
That's way easier than just making my own post-processing system.
Yes.
I really like this world. I made it for the person I really like. His name's Phones.
So shall we go inside the tower?
The tower is really dark, so you might need this lamp.
Oh, you just got it. I can't climb fast enough.
We might be able to see them from the top of the.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
We could rain down on top of them.
There's a teleporting guy over here.
Oh, another teleporting. All the teleports.
You got this. You got this.
Okay, I'm going.
Hey, Cyan, did you teleport to the top too?
I teleported the entire time. Look at everybody just running.
Did you click teleport to the top instead of taking the stairs? Like...
I clicked teleport. I'm not gonna run up here.
No, it's happening again.
Oh, Cyan, you're like me this time.
Mm.
It's literally like 8 years of stairs. Like,
8 years.
Oh my god, that's a long way down.
There's somebody down there.
That is a
I
long way
went
down.
up that shit. Holy fuck.
You know what's more exciting? Climbing carnival.
I regret opening.
I really hate these avatar animations, but I'll one day remove them. Oh no. Desync again? I can't tell if we just got desynced again. Oh, I hear people though. Time to check Discord. Yeah, that something was like holding it. Oh wait, are you moving, Zentari? Yep, I got booted. Oh look, I'm a robot.
I managed to respawn at spawn. It's stuck at 0-0, where about 5 or 10 visitor accounts with usernames like Crasher.
I'm pretty sure, like,
Yep, that was intentional. Okay.
based off, you know, what is showing on my comment stream, yeah, it's all intentional.
On your comment stream.
Yeah, there's somebody representing a mod group.
Oh, great. Why would they do that, though? Like, of all communities could crash, ours?
I mean, they are claiming to be banned, but you know, I don't have any power on that.
Exactly. Like, we don't... We're not devs. Official devs. We're just world creators. Community members like everyone else. We just make the world that you can play. Be nice.
They hit me so hard I turned into a fucking robot.
Okay. There's actual people who are like actively coming in here and trying to crash us.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Like I said, based on what's going on in my chat.
No, we know. Like it's because there's earlier we had a bunch of people who were sending everyone friend requests, and now both times we crashed, there's multiple visitors in the lobby with just a random bullshit spams of letter names, like just symbols and shit.
Mm-hmm.
So, and like every time they hopped in, that's when we were crashing.
So I mean,
I checked my lock. I didn't see anything suspicious.
you may not see that in a log. Whatever it is, it's like it's blocking networking, because as soon as you leave, everything catches up.
Okay. I'm unimpressed.
Oh no. It's big letters. They were capital letters.
Okay, I need to check the list again. Who is next? If we, can continue this.
Sock says he has a picture of the names.
Udon everything. Like, so if they use Udon events to try and send something, it locks it.
They're part of it. We're pretty sure like that might be their way in.
You want a simple rundown? Attention deprived.
Well, actually,
Who do you think is doing it?
Pretty much.
The usual.
Oh, man, just hungry for attention.
I think Rue's looking into it right now.
You know, when they
Rubik might actually be looking into it.
they didn't get enough attention, so now they're like lashing out, trying to get as much attention as possible.
It's okay. You know what? Like, they disrupt things briefly, and then they're dealt with. We move on. So let's just keep going.
Yeah.
Basically, yeah.
It's okay. We had about 10 minutes in that world anyway, and have to move on.
I managed to contact.
Last one too. We just got a good amount of time in there.
I was in the process.
I mean, it took me 10 minutes. 10 minutes to run to the end there.
What do you mean? I was in the process of scaling down. I was like,
Yeah, they physically ran. Oh, okay.
I see everyone's like moving at a snail's pace, and I'm like, that's not a good sign.
I'm just gonna say, Centauri, you are next. Would you like to say anything before dropping a portal?
Okay, yeah.
Say Wu-Tang. Say Drain Gang.
Oh, I actually have to go unlock it.
Yeah,
Socks has a picture of like the names and everything. Do you want him to just put it in the meetup channel, or do you want him to just like DM it to you maybe?
I would say DM it to Rubik. If you can't DM him Rubik, DM it to me and I'll give it to him. But
Your attention to.
Okay.
wait, what?
They're back.
They're back. They're back. They're back. So
Oh my god,
I can confirm it's literally it's Flashlight who's letting them in.
So they're confirming it being that?
They all just joined in right
And apparently blocking them doesn't do anything because they
because
just cause
Flashlight
a
was sending out
network
requests to
overload.
everyone in the freaking meetup.
Okay.
I am lagging really bad.
Either the visitor that's crashing. Can someone fix them? Right here.
Oh, there's a lot of them. They're all piling up in at Origin at the moment. It's right when they load in. You don't even have time to kick them.
How did they get in here? Games in the center of the room, they all just joined at the same time.
I mean, it's a public
Yeah,
instance,
it's
so they can join.
where
It's just a public
Multiple
accounts, holy shit.
Who is the person doing it so I can block them?
That's crazy. It's like overkill.
That is exactly what I saw in the last world.
Fiona, who is the person doing it so I can block them?
Blocking won't help. It's a network thing.
Yep.
Okay, go home and
It's the same accounts, it's the same bot accounts as well.
I am going to restart my game again. This is ridiculous.
Everyone just saying go home.
I'm currently checking the log to see what exactly
It's
they're
nice to
doing when
meet
this
you, CyanLaser, and everything bad. It's nice to meet you, CyanLaser, and everything bad. It's nice to meet you, CyanLaser, and everything bad. It's nice to meet you, CyanLaser, and everything bad.
Can I even get out of this or did I just crash?
It's nice to meet you.
That one was a hard crash. Okay, VRChat crashed again, just trying to go that. I guess join and go home? I'm not even sure if like how usable it is for this meetup if, you know, public link, they just keep joining. We might have to switch to invite only. I need to now create a new instance real quick. Oh, nope. I'm caught on the chair. Bye, tracker. Let's see how long it lasts this time.
We had some crashers.
Assuming we should probably try to encourage people to do invite pluses, continuing for tonight.
Yes, invite plus only, but we'll have to watch out though, because like supposedly like
It's the same bots.
yeah, like if they get in the instance, it doesn't matter. Like even if we're invite plus, as long as one person has them friended, they can join.
Yeah, but it's always the same 4 bot accounts or something.
Mm-hmm. Well, I mean, we'll see.
I was diverting your attention to. They joined like 10 seconds.
No, I definitely saw, but like everybody's like telling me this, even like in Discord too. But it's like I don't have any power to do anything about it.
Yeah. Someone apparently the person named Fleshlight is talking in the Discord.
I don't know what they're saying some
So
weird
I got
things.
banned for no reason. What the fuck?
Like banned from VRChat?
It's funny that the guy actually just texting on CyanLaser stream like EMMBC gang since
You're watching that too?
Bro, you only have like 76 followers. What the fuck? You lame looking ass.
Wait, isn't that the person? Like, okay, hold on.
Every time I see this, it just reminds me of like kids on a playground.
Yeah. We said we're so much.
I'm pretty sure they are kids in the playground, but because of Corona, they can't really get to the playground right now.
Fucking robot.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Well, I feel like if you cheat in this game, your attention span's like lower than mine somehow. So probably.
Bro, I was watching your stream, bro. I was like, I was dying so hard because you turned into a robot. Oh
I'm
my
very
God.
much looking forward to this, so I hope that we can survive.
Check. We've lost a lot of people.
Oh, I didn't
yeah,
realize
bro, I was in the
fucking
shitter.
Chad disappeared.
So
Yeah, it's
Centauri
Centauri
my
next.
homeworld.
That's crazy. This guy's so fucking annoying, man.
Really annoying.
Yeah, it's Centauri next.
Is Centauri even here?
Well, the thing is, that's been happening a lot in like public lobbies, dude. It's not even like, it's not even worth going into a great prog or anything anymore. It just happens constantly.
Right now, I don't think it's necessarily. We don't have evidence. We're gonna let the mod team deal with it. Definitely the white bot accounts were related.
Well, look, like the person that's saying, you know, what's the word for it? That they got banned for no reason is the same name spamming my chat saying like, you know, all the timing is like, okay. Because we have another person named, I think, like Nochi, however you pronounce that.
I also got a screenshot of one that's like a crazy character combination.
There's like 4 bot accounts, but like
Is there any way to favorite this room?
this room
Screenshot of
specifically?
the one that I got, but
I don't think this one is.
Yeah, there was one with like.
This one? It should be, I thought.
exactly.
No, it's not.
No, you'd have to ask Fax to public it.
You guys
But
could implement the greenlit system if you had to. You know, you have to.
does anybody see Centauri?
Wait, what was going on in your chat?
Oh, the person who claims to be like Fleshlight was just like spamming my chat about being like from a mod and then something about unban me.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Well, you're not the one that can unban them.
I have no power. But
Just a warning, I think the clients can join instances only using the instance ID. So.
Well, if you have the instance ID, like you can join any instance.
Yeah.
But does anybody see Centauri though? We should move on.
Centauri's next.
No, okay, if Centauri's not here, who is next?
I'm gonna say I have no power to kick anyone or deal with anyone. I don't run this event, and I don't have any moderation power. I'm just a loud person.
Oh, I am. I mean, I created this instance. The other one I didn't create. I think Squid probably did, which, you know, he's not even here to moderate.
Yeah, Cyan can kick people from this instance, but he can't do anything about kicking people from VRChat itself.
Yeah.
And he also can't ban heal.
Nope, I cannot do anything relating to bans.
Because he's banning people.
Okay, so I don't see Centauri, so I guess we have to move to Toby.
Yeah, people going after this event. People going after this event is people.
All right. Toby, do you have anything you want to say before your world?
Oh, wait, I got saved? I don't...
What was it?
I don't like making SDK nano avatars. I like using SDK too.
Okay. I don't have the password to unlock yet, but no, Toby's right, or was Toby.
No, the first one.
Centauri.
You said wasn't here.
I don't see Centauri yet, or I'm just being blind.
No, I don't see them either.
Okay, so let me just go open the center real quick. Okay, guys, we know what's been going on, but we should continue to move on. So the next person to show a world is Toby, who I thought was over there. Oh, there you are. Yes. I'm going to open up the center for you to say anything so you can drop a portal. Oop. There you are. Did Centauri actually join back? Wait, go ahead.
The music's copyright, so if you're streaming, just turn it down.
Cyan, you should have announced that we do invite plus only now.
Oh, yes. Make sure it is invite plus only.
You might want to say it inside the server so everyone else knows.
So, yeah, so if you're dropping a portal, please make sure it is invite plus only now. No more friends plus, just because of, you know, obviously people will join in.
Yeah, Toby and Hans make avatars like mine, but on crack. Yeah, they're the most original thing you've ever seen.
They're championship posters.
It's probably the best shit poster I've ever met.
Yep. Yep. This looks like another good.
The way that portal looks. No.
Oh, I don't think he went in.
No.
Saved.
He's still here. He's like the best shit poster.
Sorry,
Right here. I'm behind you.
Okay.
Oh, there it is. That's the dude right there.
Oh. No. Can we still go through?
Can everybody else move?
I can move, but nobody else is moving.
Okay.
Go through the portal if you see it.
Oh, okay.
Alright, let's go to the portal.
Which the portal's obviously going to break because they have the instance ID.
Alright, let's go to the portal.
Portal looks.
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 Made it, but like everyone else.
I'm alive.
I finally got in. Wow, that took a while.
We made it, bros.
I don't know how long it'll last because of I assume the ID has already been compromised.
So this is how many worlds we got left?
A lot. We're not gonna make it through.
It has that song.
Oh my god.
There we go.
Sign in the sky. I love this song.
Is this Hans?
So we managed to survive a wave, and this is the payoff.
So
Yes.
Did they crash us as we loaded, as we were going out the portal?
We never crashed. They're just blocking our network.
I didn't get through a portal when I entered a
The
portal.
issue
I just
is,
crashed.
probably my best guess would be ones in the Discord. So like.
So all they're doing is spamming our network, which is not actually crashing us. Because like I made it through the portal, it just took like, you know, a few minutes.
Yeah, I went into the portal and got audio loop. So.
I mean, I did too. It just took a long time.
Gotcha. I don't know, like if you wait a long time, that will often resolve. But okay, let's take a look at what we have going on here in this very wholesome, creative, high quality.
The only suspicious person with a suspicious name had like a strike through name, like all the letters were stricken through.
Oh,
I don't know if there's a suspicious person though.
I mean, I don't know who the suspicious person is, but I don't have the one to make the call.
We might be able to do it without having links.
Oh. Yeah, it would be like everybody would have to join off me, but then like they would have to friend me.
So happy. This is my Christmas.
No, Cyan. The thing is, a lot of
this
people
make it a real good thing that they made it so you can get
face each other to you.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Let's just hope that, you know, this one stays alive for a little bit. I'm not sure how long we'll stay here, though.
Oh, the second world to have blue sky.
Compromised. It might actually be compromised because the portal got dropped in that.
That's what I was thinking.
world.
Like, they probably have it, it's just they gotta, you know, read it.
They probably have it from the compromised world.
Well, I mean, the idea was new for that one, but... Explore this world while we have the time. We'll probably move on in like 5 minutes.
Might see it.
It's about 5 minutes of content.
Yeah.
Hey, look, it's my favorite stalling developer.
Don't step on the Lego.
Don't. Why?
Okay. No, I said don't step on the.
I mean, you can't if you.
Wait, no.
Lego.
I'm from the land of the Legos. I should be able to.
But why do you want to step on Legos?
Well, I'm from the land of the Lego. I should be able to with this.
Like Mr. Blue Sky is just playing in the background.
Oh, that's okay. I took your advice on the UV mapping. It takes up a lot of space because I UV mapped the Sears world, but UV mapping the Laughing Lizard, I left it.
Nice. Uh-oh, we got a corner. Okay, there we go.
Mario pitching. Oh no.
Potty chair or just a chair? Are you guys feeling calm and relaxed and? Oh, we have some spaghetti art over here. I should turn
The flying spaghetti monster with spaghetti art.
I mean, I really like his song, so yeah, I'm pretty calm.
Bless you. Very entertaining. Oh, and there's some dancing
Penguins.
penguins down there.
Wait, what? The spaghetti? Donkey Kong is shooting up here at Mario.
From my body.
What now? Oh.
Come on, take a seat. Take a seat.
If only I could literally take the seat. Oh, okay.
Oops, sorry.
Where's my other leg? There's my leg.
This is
Church of the Flying Spaghetti Monster. Oh shit.
It is. Is someone going to officiate?
Peep is. Okay.
Can we get a sermon? It's good.
Wait, are there multiple chairs layered on top
Anything
of each
else
other?
is
Oh no,
false.
this
You
is
sit on me? One true God, everyone else
I
is
can't
fake.
sit on this one still.
That's the spaghetti monster.
Oh, the religion of spaghetti
Spaghetti religion.
This is the best thing I've ever seen.
Wait, for some reason I can still sit on this chair.
Okay.
It's Sunday.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah.
Is lasagna also divine?
Perfect.
That's troubled the greatest minds of our era.
Okay. I think we need to go throw meatball.
How much am I paying for this religion?
You pay in meatball.
How do I?
I didn't realize it is a fucking Wario without arms sitting there.
$1 or £1 or €1.
One pound?
Where's that at?
One pound of what? Hamburger? Spaghetti? Pasta?
Meatball.
God, what the fuck is that thing with the Minecraft Steve head? What is this fucking Metal Gear Solid?
It's hyper-realistic Steve.
So I need to go find 1 pound of meatballs.
What's happening over here? We just got starting.
I mean, I was saying,
Nothing
it's
weird
like
yet.
normal stuff you buy, except instead of having, like,
We might
$1
actually have gotten rid of it by
I doubt.
change the invite plus.
Damn me talking about my superior currency. Having it be a thing in America.
But it's the best
Alright.
option we have right now. If we want to continue.
I want to do.
Wait, it actually worked? No.
Oh man.
You have any pun socks? Do you think you as well?
No, I don't. Oh no.
Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and respawn people. And Hins is next, or if Centauri's here. So, unless Centauri is here, it's Hins who's next.
Oh, 1, 2.
Double. Oh. Did we get... I got crashed again. Yeah, sorry for not actually talking out loud on the stream. Just coordinating on Discord here.
It's just us right now. Everyone's pretty new in Discord then.
See who actually joins.
Yeah, that's a good test. I'm gonna pop out while you talk. This might be piggyback off you or something.
Okay, so I guess I'm gonna see if I can join off someone real quick.
Welcome back, Hansa.
Really? Okay.
It sounds like we're gonna be moving quick and trying, or not actually dropping a portal.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
what we're gonna have to do.
Join on me then, for those who are friended.
Alright, will do.
Oh, there we go.
CyanLaser's here.
Yes, I am here. It might take people a while to get in. Oh, I'm just still T-post. Why did that?
Maybe we should have done this in the hub world first.
What is going on here?
This is, I'm getting hello?
Can you calibrate now?
I was like more of, no, one of my trackers wasn't tracking me. Like, what is going on? Is this just like Shrek NPCs?
Yo.
And if they touch you, you respawn.
Wait, did you really touch you respawn? What?
Yeah, they kill you.
Oh, that's wonderful.
What? Like,
Jesus.
there's no jumping. I can't even tell if it's Udon.
It's like that message, right? I guess. I don't know.
This is all triggers.
Wait, what?
It's like, I don't know, it's some prefab, you know, like the world Igbar made, where it's just the entire B movie script as the title?
Oh, it's the bee?
The B from the B movie world.
It's that same thing? I never actually saw how he made that.
Yeah, it's like 4 different prefabs.
Oh.
It might not be synced. Yeah. Oh, this would be interesting. Me going to Orange.
Crash, we definitely know we can't escape it.
Okay, we
If
had
we crash
a good chunk of people in the last hub business I was in, so they were supposed to join on us.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're gonna get more people.
Could you have found a better any other world? Any other world to hang in? Well,
Oh, hello. No, this is the next one.
Oh, the Shrek kills you if they get close to you.
Oh! I got Shrek!
Get to the mirror,
Join off of
apparently.
Cyan, guys. Join off of Cyan.
This
Now I'm Ocean Man. My aim is leading.
The science homeworld.
Dying at spawn.
Clearly.
Okay.
I'm getting spawned.
Why were you been gone for the last 30 minutes, Sorry.
I've been here the entire time, just crashing alongside everyone else.
Wait, you never called out when I said your name.
Hi, Zion, welcome over here.
I am over here.
Literally the last thing you said crash was, we're probably gonna crash. And then we did.
It's fine.
Okay, with this in mind, Centauri, would you like to take a portal to your world?
Yes, please.
Okay, do you want to say anything first?
No, I normally yes, but I just want to get
Drop
out
the
of here.
portal then, go.
We gotta get out. We gotta get.
Dude, we're gonna get stuck in spawn. We don't get out of here.
It's gonna be a challenge.
There's everyone in.
Invite. Oh.
At this point, it's too late.
Okay, that's an invite. That's
It
a bit of a
it
problem.
is it is a problem, but we'll tell Centauri.
You know what? I'm gonna go through the portal because I'm getting
Getting tricked. They won't let me go through.
Normal Shrek world. Yeah, normal.
Invite only.
Yeah, the world is invite.
Hey, Cyan.
Hmm?
Yeah. Okay. So Centauri goes, oh no, and disappeared. So I don't know what she's doing.
Where is Centauri? Is she in here?
Centauri in Discord, one sec.
She was in here, and then we're like, this is an invite instance. She goes, oh no, and then she disappeared. So I don't know what she's
They're right there.
Yeah, there's Centauri.
Where? I don't see them.
Centauri's right here.
I don't see them anywhere.
Why are we the only ones?
There she is. There she is.
Why are we the only ones colored?
Go? Did you just press go instead of spawn portal?
What? No.
Did you press go instead of spawn portal?
I don't know what I did.
Uh-oh. No, so in post-processing, it is adjusted so that like everything that's not red, I think, doesn't show.
And
so
yellow.
You can see red tones.
Everything that's not red or gold.
There you go.
I've been trying to fix an issue where skin shows, and right now it's just a directional light that points straight down. That's cyan, and it works for some avatars. It doesn't work.
Points right down at cyan? What?
Well, you mean you don't have a skin tone, so it doesn't work for you.
I'll have you know, I normally have.
Okay, so we have a bunch of people trying to get in just because this is invite only now.
Yeah. Can you drop? Can you guys clear it and drop a new drop a new portal? We're gonna do an invite plus one.
So wait, if anyone's laced with red on their avatar, does that mean that we're the murderers?
Yeah, but like half the people can't get in. So hi, back up.
Yay, I'm colored.
I've got.
There we go.
Invite
There we
plus.
go.
Join this one.
Set yourselves to orange too while you're at it.
What? We're just here. We're already.
All aboard!
Wait, how did you get in?
I didn't see the portal.
Oh, we're making an invite plus so that people who couldn't get in last time can now.
I found a flashlight.
Ooh. You should hopefully be able to get in now. Ooh, loud.
An invite request to join, and then my menu just freezes in space.
Well, so right now it's pretty heavy because we're loading everyone.
Oh, you're making it okay.
Quest compatible?
Teaser for Centauri Spookality World.
It is legitimately probably Quest compatible if I chose to make it.
The poly count might be high, but like
Yeah, but that would only be for this. The actual map is definitely not Quest.
Hey, Cyan, try to open your menus and look at the coloring of those two.
Of what?
Gorgeous.
Open your menu and look at the coloring inside it.
What coloring?
Like your friend
Oh my
list.
gosh, I am
Nobody else here that
McDonald's.
Have colors, but like.
Yeah, Cyan, try to open your friend list and see how it looks.
Gold.
My camera, because the post-processing is double.
But look
so
at
I'm
the
just
players,
yellow
it's like
and
somebody
red on
with
my camera.
red is just like...
Wait, why are you red?
Oh, you have a flashlight. Yeah. I spent a little bit too much time in the it just makes fancy clicking sounds whenever you turn it on.
Oh, I love this world. This is so cool. It's all black and white with red.
Yeah.
It's so aesthetically
The
pleasing.
entire map will be in this.
How did you make the lighting only black and white?
It's post-processing effects. It's in the color grading. It's the fancy graph at the bottom. What?
He's the only one that's coloring
Sorry, missed opportunity. Outside the window, siren head.
It's actually opaque. There's nothing out there. It's just fancy reflection probe. Go bird.
Lately,
I like the light.
like very fancy. There's a few things like I can't see. So this world is gonna make it.
Here, this is one of the AIs in the map, or technically, it's a bunch of these in the map.
A bunch of AI?
Oh, it's so cute though.
Also,
It's so cute.
This entire map, this is not. You say that now, but when you get murdered by it,
Wait, are they this size or are they bigger?
you aren't gonna be nearly. No, they're much bigger.
Okay. 2 stories, you said?
You're about that tall.
Probably like a 1/8 scale.
Wow.
Oh, okay. Okay, not gonna be that cute. Not gonna be that cute.
No, it's gonna be terrifying.
Makes sense.
Also, the entire map is late join sync compatible.
Ooh.
Yeah, this robot. I speak.
And the actual thing is zaps you and murders you.
About this robot, I speak from no bias whatsoever, but I think it's real.
Storm.
What about it?
It is cool.
This is with only the red color.
I've seen it.
Do you plan on making like this public, or is it just gonna be like just a teaser for the world or community meetup?
Not sure yet.
You could make it a hub world or something, but I don't actually know.
Just cause.
Call it safe house.
Oh, I forgot those are red. Oh no, it's only literally the parts you're seeing that are red. It truly is red.
I forgot.
So if I have a red, like the walls are bleeding.
The pedals are just black.
Is completely lighting.
That's the thing. I'm just using the sauce, so I think just grabbing like the red portion of the orange.
If that's happening to you, I think you should hire a handyman.
The wall's bleeding here.
Told me that it's fine.
No way, they always do that.
Ghostbusters theme gets louder.
Oh, something just breathed on me and it gave me shivers. I can see feet. I can see feet.
Yeah.
Foony feet. Can you please make more of this map? I would love to see this.
There is more of this
fleshed out.
Upstairs? After the meetup, I can show you the actual inventory. The actual is more outdoor section.
Ooh, I love that.
And this is the spookality, like.
Make the walls whisper.
Aren't you on the pre?
I can do that.
What's the fire has color?
It's pinned. It's a free. It's actually a free fat everyone.
You're no longer CyanLaser, now you're just Gray Laser.
Oh no.
I can't hear God.
Because of the word right
Ooh, that sounds.
You should find it in.
Oh, it's Gray Laser.
The database.
Oh no.
Let me confirm with Fiona if it's actually that channel or the other one. Hang on.
No, he's on quest. He's using quest link, so he should be here. He should be able to join us, no problem.
When you do that one, that gets stuck in my head.
You're slightly less festive than normal.
Fiona, has the red balloon. He's one of the murderers.
Like your avatar.
It didn't really change this one any.
Science?
Hmm?
I'm trying to remember. This badge, is it in the info and apps, or is it in another channel? I can't remember.
I mean, it would be in the database.
It's not, yeah, it's on the database.
In the database,
somewhere.
okay. Because Funi saw it and she was like, "Geeb." I was like, "Yeah, it's in the."
Yeah, it's just in the
so
database.
I have a jeweled version in the database, and Jordo has a enamel version in the database.
Isn't the jeweled version like super sparkly and everything?
Yes.
Yes.
So yeah, it's the one that's on. I think. Well, okay, it's with the grab path shader though, so I probably shouldn't recommend it. Like, find a better. There's the rhinestone shader that I originally used is $10, but I put a free one in there, I think.
I would say it's easy to modify, but it's probably not for people who don't know code.
Squishy or creepy in here.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, where?
Different in here.
Okay, I think we've been in here for a long enough time, and we should probably move to the next one.
There's a flashlight upstairs.
Should we pop to the next one then?
Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and respawn, even though the world is pretty small.
Wait, if they respawn, aren't they all gonna get like start pouring out of there?
Yeah, pretty much.
This should be fun.
Oh, Cyan, this is gonna suck. Oh yeah, it's completely great.
Yep. Okay, Sasha, you are next. Do you want me to speak for you this time?
It's like inviting one person to a party.
Okay.
Everyone saw the invitation.
So whenever you're ready, you can drop a portal.
This world is black and white, yes. Essentially, just follow them through the portal. I gotta run for 2 minutes. I'll be right back.
Everybody clear out of the way from here. Sasha's dropping a portal, so everybody clear out.
Do you have one that's live? Because this one's not public, right?
No, this probably will be public within a few hours. You're not the only one that has asked me that. This.
Oh wait, everybody back away.
Okay, a little bit. Fighting issues upstairs.
So wait, everyone back away from this area. Sasha's dropping the portal here. Okay, here's the portal. Oh no! Hold on, let me DM them.
Oh, this model. This model.
So Sasha dropped the portal, went in, and the portal died.
Great. I can't reach the
Oh god.
I'm distracting them.
I've got a reverse.
Is somebody messaging Sasha saying?
I already messaged them saying yep, they should join back.
Two giant lag spikes and then like just time.
Damn, I hate the breath. I hate this thing.
I'm just trying to invite them back, but my friend list is not updating.
My friends list is updating, but I just have to go down and find them. Oh, we can't invite. It's not Friends Plus. There they are.
This one is Friends Plus.
No, our world is Invite Plus. Current one, I think.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we can't invite in Invite Plus?
Only the world and like the instance creator can invite. You can accept though. Okay, Sasha's back. Okay, everyone back away again.
That's hilarious. I unintentionally fall when you jump up there.
Okay, now we got a portal.
Hey, Tech, get in.
Oh, frames.
Tasty.
I'm at 90, amazingly.
Yes.
And over and over again. That's a shame.
Oh, where you at?
Oh.
Oh, thank God it's not playing. Imagine if that sound played on one shot. Oh, you're right.
What now?
I'm very glad it's not now.
Am I good now?
Wait, switch back.
Exactly.
Zero
Color changing.
Is that why the narration? Yeah.
Very, very well. But again, I'm gonna wait until like everyone actually loads in first.
Which one is Mike Wade?
Oh, this is empty.
Yeah, it's
Wait,
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Is this one of those go explore times?
This is it. This is
Oh,
it.
okay.
Sasha,
Are
is
there
there
other
actually
things?
anything outside here?
Well, read the description.
Hold on.
This is what we got.
There's a description? Oh.
There's a description.
It's a spooky dark world with a few lights.
Oh.
That's what we got.
Okay.
So we got.
Oh, it is!
This is my political bubble.
Fiona, that's not a bubble. That's a person.
Bubble. He's comforting.
No, I just started learning
nice
about
in here.
shaders recently because I never really
You know,
started learning about
actually, Rubik, if you stood next to one of the lampposts alone and we take a picture of you from a distance, you'd look super creepy.
Is it just a path?
Yes.
I think it's just a path.
Oh, okay.
I mean, read the description of the world.
I tried going anywhere and I
What's the description say?
Oh, I don't know. Okay.
Just a pitch black
spooky
map
dark
with a few
map
lights.
with a few lights.
Mm.
I like it. Yo, straightforward.
You know what? Straight to the point.
Yep.
Straight to the point. Tell them what it is. That's how
Welcome
you
back.
do it.
Wait, what about the blush one? How do you do the blush?
God, the smog. Earlier, they all loved it. It was awesome. They were all bouncing around.
We're just watching Rubik's expressions now.
No, it was the bounce around.
No, there's blush. There's blush.
Oh.
The shock one is the best one because the hat goes up. That's amazing.
Yeah.
It only plays trigger. Like, so can anyone just join in?
I guess, yeah, you can do that. Yeah, people are happy to go more people. I think we're supposed to do figuring that out because I feel like it's going to white bro. Yeah, the rules are, yeah, the only rules is you have to have it down for the baking or lighting, but other than that, then it's good.
It's intentional.
Like, it has a lot of,
I mean, I can't complain. I have friends.
yeah, it is a lot of things.
That's only like 4 lights in
These people,
total.
like, and the actual skin.
That's still casting a shadow for every single player, which is rendering the player down.
Yeah, there's a lot.
I need to work on my
Yeah, I made everybody a robot except for friends. Because to save on lag.
Every map in chat says that. Like when they go into war, like,
Yeah, I need to work on my map. I gotta work on my map.
Priority 1 myself. The vision, you see so much more.
I got
Your Oculus S, when you turn your head, it like hurt a little bit. It was like, I was so smooth that I can turn my head and it doesn't do it. It's really nice. I think it's set to the default head, it like hurt a default 90. I think Alani had better graphics card to make it 144 hertz.
We should move on. Oh, you're already doing it.
Yeah. Okay, so Afuni, you are next.
Right inside of Funi's head.
You are next. Do you have anything you want to say before we go to your world?
My world has
Oh, hold on. We should get everyone gathered first.
Okay, yeah, you should do that.
I'll just go ahead and put the quiet, please. And like, I mean, everyone here is quiet, so it's like you could speak now.
Yeah.
Wait, did you say quiet? Oh.
My world doesn't have music, so you can turn off that sound to experience the spooky experience.
What's spooky map?
Once you enter the map, go inside the building, and there should be some task for you to do. And then, yeah. You guys ready?
Cool.
You should probably spawn the portal on the road.
Yeah, I should do that.
On the way.
Okay.
Okay.
You know, in October, when people say there's tasks, I start to wonder, why are we doing tasks?
Because we're trying to get off the spaceship and find out who the imposters are.
Nope. I just wait a little bit before going in just to make sure, you know, it doesn't die on us.
It's okay. I boo.
Hold on. Give me a second.
What? You can't even see it?
now. I can see now.
Yeah, we are leaving. Wait, I was here yesterday.
Were you?
Yeah.
I mean, Funi's been working on it. Alright.
He has like 4 things to do.
4?
I completed them, but I was like, where's my reward? Yeah.
I mean, let's find out.
Labyrinth. Alright.
So I'm not actually sure how much more the event is. We still have a lot of worlds on the list and we haven't crashed as much. So it's just kind of like, yeah.
Everything in Blender.
Are you using standard shaders?
Yeah, this is standard shaders.
Good. I like it. Background is
Let us
brown
let us proceed to the
shader.
building. Come on.
Wait, is there something missing right there?
This world just killed me when I pressed teleport. The Shrek.
Go ahead.
2019?
There's a collision bug with one of the tents.
Oh yeah?
You just fall through the world. When you click on the
Is that what you were telling me about?
Yeah, I was telling you that about.
Okay, I guess I need to look
Okay,
into
we'll
that.
fix this some other time.
Okay, I'm hearing something. I just don't have my volume high enough to hear that. What they were speaking.
You know,
Hmm?
I swear to God, I was outside and I didn't think there was a lot more.
Like, what's wrong with the?
Oh, okay. Follow around. So we got the troll mug. We got some funhouse tents. What?
Funi, why are there tents inside the school?
Why not?
Because it's a creepy school. What's this?
Okay.
Where's the last tent?
Turn off ambience. This tent is over here.
Good. I'm glad somebody brought
Play on the SCP thing. There's VRC-009 trolling.
So where's the pumpkin tent?
Is this
Complete
hmm?
the witch tent.
Gotta complete the task.
I saw it was like, which one is the pumpkin tent? Is it that one?
Pumpkin is orange, so
For the color of the tent. Do we win everything?
Well, that was
we already
easy.
beat it. Yeah, we beat it.
Oh,
things to click and then say dead end.
This way.
is this a dead end? No, it continues. Oh, I completed that one.
My name's Greg.
That was easy.
Is that a person?
Let's see. You're one of these special. May not be dead, but that doesn't mean you can't die. You just have a few more, shall we say,
Ooh. We got a coin. Oh, there we go.
Once you use the front door more than like 2 or 3 times, it locks you out and you can't get back in. I had to use a flying avatar to get over here.
To open this.
Hmm.
Don't you think this is
I don't know why that happens.
I win, I guess.
maybe.
We might want to look.
I just hear somebody claiming they don't like something.
Why does the witch sounds like she had to be?
Like the first one is the hardest one, red flower.
First one? Oh, I just went the wrong way.
I don't like the sound.
But you have a scythe, you'll be fine.
Fuck. I'm an absolute coward. I do not like this. Oh, no. Nope.
You call me ugly, how could you?
Wait, it's actually down that way. Oh, I think I got them all.
You just have a few more.
Cyan.
I heard my name.
Listen to the skull of wisdom.
Hello.
Where'd it go?
My name's Greg,
No, it was taken
the
from me.
Grim Reaper. Don't laugh. Now, let's see. Ah, yes. You're one of these special cases. The thing is, you may not be dead, but that doesn't mean you can't die. You just have a few more, shall we say, chances. Yeah. Right, that's it. Piss off. I've got some cats to see. Bloody things. I hate those bloody cats. Where they meow and they piss everywhere. And their shit smells just
Is it?
bloody awful. All over.
What actually is it?
Yeah, look, there was a little bit of a maze to gather an item.
There you go. Ruby has a...
Collect all the items and you get it.
You gotta go duel now. It's like duel in the back, not just one. Like freaking dual sniper rifles and then a rocket launcher and all that shit.
Rocket launcher.
Hi, wishes, thank you. Hey, Uni, let me give you a hand. I get in. Oh my god, my Halloween jokes are so out of date.
Trust me, let me give you.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and.
You put it wrong. You put it wrong.
I'm gonna go ahead and respawn people here. Oh, okay. I get the hat. I have a hat now.
Yeah, there you go.
In your eye. What the hell happened here?
Nice. There you go.
I'm gonna have to take the hat with me when I respawn. We still have like 3 or 4 worlds, I think.
Yeah.
Cyan, there's like a dozen people stuck at spawn because if you do witch tent, you fall through the floor and then you can't teleport back here.
But,
Yeah,
well, I
it's
beat
a bug.
everything, so.
With Unity.
Weird.
What? I thought
We'll
you
have to
just ran
figure
with
that
shit.
one out.
So I think it might be one of those play space things. But yeah, so like a bunch of us when we teleported to witch tent, we fell through the floor, and then the front door teleport doesn't work anymore. So there's a bunch of people that are just hanging out at spawn.
I thought I was able to get back through. That's...
All that fame you're
Okay, so where's the at? Dragkin?
What do you mean?
Oh,
I- Draken? Wherever he hasn't respawned yet.
Oh, maybe.
He was definitely over there. Like he's the one who gave me the hat, but I don't see where he's at. Oh, there he is. Yes, you're next. You want to say anything before we go to your world?
Yep.
Hold on, let's get everyone quiet, please.
My chance to scalp some brush avatars, so brush guys or brush boys.
So it's a. Is everybody here?
Yep.
It's a bar world. It does have copyright music, but there's a button right when you enter. You'll see a big plaque on the side of the wall, and there's one that you can turn off. As long as you hit DMCA non-copyright music, if you hit that button once, it'll still play music in the world, but it's all non-DMCA stuff.
Oops.
So if anybody was streaming, they can hit that button. But other than that, there's a little hidden area that you have to find. Yeah, and that's about it. It's pretty big though. It's like 215. So.
Okay.
I'll try to drop a portal. Wherever I can.
Everyone, get out of the way.
sir, brother.
Yeah,
Okay, Conan.
Just go away.
Just over 400.
Small kid.
Oh, sorry.
With good reason.
Table.
Cyan.
Just looking for you.
oh, he gave you his heart. How sweet.
That's disgusting.
Thank you, Blue.
Friends plus, portals up. And it's sticky.
Okay, people get it.
It's Prince Plus now.
I mean, I think the other person hasn't spawned yet, so I think it's fine.
Okay.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, 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 go.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Thank you for sharing this role, by the way.
Oh, you're welcome.
I think somebody did
Thank you.
This is not the last world, but
Bye now.
yeah, I guess we'll have to discuss like offline like what the actual bugs are.
Yeah.
We can go and just.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. But yeah,
Alright.
let's go ahead and.
It's down in the portal. 20 seconds.
And we might have a tiny problem.
Tiny problem? What do you mean?
This is a F plus.
F plus what?
Friends.
Oh, I know that. I saw that earlier.
I hope nothing happens.
I mean, we'll find out. But I mean, the difference is like, how is it any different though?
Well, people that are already here are probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably fine because like it's still behind no link.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Else we figure out that it's not fine. And then Rubik is probably gonna be mad
Mad? Why would he be mad?
that
Hey,
someone is
somebody
doing this.
crashed their car out there.
Can you go out there? No.
No. I heard like sirens.
The world creator couldn't even get in.
Wait, what?
They just requested off.
There it is again.
Join the lobby.
Oh, I don't see it, but okay.
Oh my god, Andre, no, please. I swear, my god, no. Wait, what is that? Turned an old warehouse into a dive bar. It's either have been many updates.
Would you mind if you're good at lineup? Would you mind if you
I would recommend asking. I would recommend asking in one of the Discord channels. I don't know if I would kind of.
Wait, what's going on?
Yeah, I just need someone to go through my series.
No, there's tons of channels. I'm sure someone
so
will
many.
come
Okay, sweet. Appreciate it.
Children of VRChat World Creation, if you follow me for a second, and you have a new lesson today.
Hmm?
Can I show my Halloween world?
You can't do it today because we have like went way over time, so like you would have to show it next week.
Because I have to do that on the buildings. Sure. It's the only spot
Mhm.
in the world that did it when I baked my lighting. It looked great when it wasn't baked, of course, but then once I baked it,
Mhm.
it did it on
Did
the
good.
Yeah, so it's not about like quality settings or anything.
Come on, you gotta have some brushes stacked away, don't you?
No, that looks very different.
That looks like missing baked meat.
Doesn't this look like generate light map PVs?
No, this looks like two less rays, for example, from like a mesh light or a point.
It depends on like, I have seen this with meshes that haven't like didn't generate properly. So it's just like there's multiple things that can do this.
I'm just saying, usually if
Every
it's
time I
just
see this, it's
the
degenerate.
wrong UV map, you see parts of lights from other buildings and objects, and this is just pixels.
Wait, is there? Oh, you can actually go inside.
Imagine selling an IP from VRChat.
Yeah.
Is there a voice override?
I don't know anything. No, I'm done. Too much attention.
I can sing. Do you want to hear rock and roll?
No, please.
No. I cannot pick up the guitar.
Who wants me to do? Hey. Hold on.
Stanley's.
I'm jamming. I'm in the drums, bro.
All right, here we go.
Can you play copyrighted music, please? From my head to my feet, yeah.
Take a table.
You know what?
Pew pew.
Wait, these actually click something? Where? When he just disappeared?
I don't meme. How do you meme? Like.
Table playing it. Table is playing it.
Who is it?
Table.
Table.
Wu-Tang.
You know if there's a way to make the mic thing an udon?
What do you mean by mic thing? Oh, do you mean like voice override? Yeah, not currently. They haven't brought it back in. They don't have it like currently, but like it's supposedly going to be in the next update.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
What are you gonna say?
Supposedly, we'll find out if it actually is.
Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Johnny, be good.
I was walking around.
Yeah.
I saw the bikes outside. I was expecting a Terminator 2.
You may not be ready for that, but your kids are gonna love it.
Thank you.
What's going on?
Community meetup craziness as usual.
What's the deal with airline food?
/nonabrush.
Tell what it wants to be.
youtube.com.
Floors, PlayStation 2.
youtube.com.
I heard my name.
There's a
What?
secret area in the by the plushie.
Do you want to take us?
By the arcade. Go to the arcade, and you have to hit some buttons on the arcade machine.
Something funny.
It's hard to hear. Like the voice override region is a little loud. So I saw you disappear in here.
Yeah. So right over here.
Meet Hemsky. That was his name.
Okay. Oh, it's like a password kind of thing.
Go back to the.
Right.
Yeah, so go over here.
Welcome to Comedy Club. We're here every week.
Okay.
And we all get off the fucking stage and literally air raping people.
Picture I can get behind.
There we go.
And then it's him back on the
There's a
side.
question mark on the wall
See
over
the
there.
picture?
Right here. That look next to you. The machine should move.
It did. Okay.
Don't worry about what's in here or what's over there.
Okay.
Yo, how do I get in here?
Open the doors. Okay.
So I don't
Oh, okay.
And then there's a couple areas back here. There's a restroom, and there's a
Security?
room over there.
Okay, let's go check this room. There's just no one in here.
So I had them working, and then the frames just started dropping so hard when I had all the.
Oh yeah, it definitely would. You'd have to like. You'd have to like toggle them slowly or something. But like either way, it's like make it so that they like only the person in the room would have it on or something. But like that could still be really laggy.
Yeah. So this is where all the plans go for us to, you know, rob banks and whatever else we want to do, you know, to fund our hobbies.
Heists.
So.
Are these monitors in the bar itself?
Well, I had it set up, so those are screenshots from when I actually had the monitors set up. I want to do. Who was one of the first people that
Varnian?
went to their world? The actual, the security cameras worked, and but the frames were good, and everybody was in there, and all the security cameras worked.
So from what it looked like, he was only updating them like I don't know how often, but it was not like the camera was not just on, but like he had like manually like said like, okay, now take a picture. So it's like a really low like frame rate for those cameras.
Yeah, because
so basically it's like a real CCTV.
Yeah. Because I think when I tried to do it, it was a render texture or something. So it just took wherever I faced the camera is what it was.
So it is
showing.
that.
And when I had all six up, it was just lagging so hard. It took the frames way down.
I mean, it's the same thing. It's just you would have to manually call like render on the camera when you need it to.
Oh, and you're asking how to get in that one room with all the guns? If you click the keyboard here, it unlocks the weapon room in the main hallway.
Wait, what?
Oh, I guess we gotta go back then. Is that the exit? What? Where are we now?
It might be that, yeah. And so if you have imported the models, it might have custom normals. And there'll be another one down at the bottom, like in geometry data, clear custom normals. That will also fix a lot of errors. I had that with the Frankenstein world.
Black.
They have custom normals. Where is?
Oh, look at all the people. Okay, so Grebo, you are next. If you want to say anything before we go to your world.
Yeah, I want to say something.
Okay.
I might want to talk to you. You might be able to walk me through. Is your Discord in?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There you are. So who's the next one, Sign?
Grebo is. We're just waiting for people to respawn. So whenever you're ready, we can get people to gather around you. I'll just go ahead and Alright, everyone quiet please and listen to Grebo over here. Grebo's the next world.
Okay, I made a world. It's a test world once again. I haven't made one in a while, so this one is all about audio. So you need audio to be at least, I'd say, 0.75. Ideally you set it to 1. And it will be loud, but it has to be loud. It's only loud when it's up close. It will be louder when it's further away. There's 2 aircrafts in that world. I'd like to have at least 1 to show it off. There's also a cave, and you can go in the cave. There's music at some point, you can hear that. It's not finished in terms of audio features. It's like maybe 50%. But yeah, I hope you like it. I'm simulating speed of sound, sonic booms and whatnot. And yeah, one more thing. If you're in the cave and look outside, it's really bright outside. it takes like 2 to 3 seconds to calm down. I have post-processing in it, but it has to. I want it to be realistic, and it's really freaking bright outside if you come out of the cave. So yeah, you will see. I do apologize.
Alright, well, you're about to get blind. Cool.
Loud and bright.
Well,
Make sure you set your settings accordingly.
I don't have blooming text.
Alright, it seems to be working.
Yeah, it's working.
Mr. Edgy Rabbit. Oh, is this why you called us here? Okay.
Alright, beautiful people.
Jump in.
Jump in.
I'm up. No, I'm the last
All right,
guy.
fine. That looks really bright. How did you just fly up like that? What?
What the fuck? Me?
Somebody just flew up.
Oh, I see it. The spacecraft.
Oh boy.
Oh, cool.
Shit, this ground is dry.
Should I have done the whole touch nothing thing because they're just exploding?
Where's Google? Did Google get in the plane already?
They're already flying? Oh. I don't hear anything from that one. No, the one that's in the air already. How did you manage to flip it? How do you manage to flip it backwards like that?
We did well. They don't teach you that.
We landed it on the top. How many people were driving? They're trying to drive.
So this world is one of those worlds where you can jump and then just pull the triggers to fly.
Oh, that's what it was.
Cockpit canopy first before taking
Oh my god, that plane randomly exploded!
Yeah. I don't think that these things pass their safety inspections.
The guy just went in and went. All I heard was yeah, and then it just blew up.
Yeah, the first one is just.
God, there goes another one. Don't you want to close the cockpit? Hello?
Hey, Aaron, I was actually just thinking about. Are you AFK?
No, I'm here. Yeah.
Okay. So your world is so big that you're gonna have almost impossible time making it just because of how big it is and have it look decent. So what I would suggest is just leave a directional light on, but turn off shadows.
Oh, would that work?
Yeah. So what's really non-performant is drawing shadows, especially on avatars. You could even leave shadows on the environment. Just turn it off on the player local layer, and or just. But I would say just take shadows off, and that way everything will lit.
I can try that now. I make the directional light go down, or just have one directional light. Have it, or
Yeah, just have one directional light, whatever direction looks good, and turn off clear shadows will help most of it, right? And then turn off shadows.
Trying to figure out why.
I say turn off clear shadows, see how that works, and then it won't look as good if you don't have like geometry shadows on, right? But you can use the layers. And I was just thinking because you're the one that has that giant like water slide world, right?
Yeah, that one's okay. That's cartoon lighting, so that one works all right. That's good. The Sears one's real realistic, so I need to have the lighting good in the Sears one.
Oh, okay, yeah. The Sears one is probably
cartoony. Yeah.
Sears is probably small enough to make, so you should be okay with those other two.
Cyan.
Yeah.
Doesn't that look like mango ice cream?
Because I don't think
It
does.
Or does it look like cheese?
No,
Now
I'm
I
saying
want
like
vanilla
there's
ice
something
cream.
like food like that. You're right. Mangoes with like frosting
mashed
or like
potatoes,
powdered
caverns.
sugar. I
think
cream
it's cheddar
cheese. I was saying how this looks like if somebody tried to sculpt Cookie Monster out of butter.
Now that you mentioned it.
I'm hungry now.
I'm also hungry.
Oh my god.
Well, so like I ate right before this, but pretty much my stomach is about 3 hours.
The reason why everybody was crashing because
I'm not. I just like it's not a very big stomach, so it goes through it.
Raise the throttle. Was
Like you see Fiona in her watch, she has like a
Hmm.
for this stuff. Like, how much she said.
Like Cyan can eat like a whole lot more than I can, but it also lasts him longer. I have to like
Oh, that's
have
where
the
the
IV
keys
drip
are.
of snake.
So we're gonna take off. Boom, we died.
So I'm not flying a plane.
It'd be like they give you the trick and then.
Oh yeah, there's some creamsicle. There's something creamsicle about it, like a popsicle colored.
We have those at home. We actually have some in the freezer.
What was that? Oh, the flying.
I don't know if anyone could hear the actual sound effect of the aircraft when it's far away, but yeah.
I don't think I heard it, mainly because the one like right there was like loud and kept exploding on us. But I did notice that you went by. Like it might have been better for like testing, like to only have one.
Yeah, I could have only kept one.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I'm going to add directionality and everything, so if
Two.
you look at the audio source, it's louder than when you look away, or if the audio source is facing you, it should be louder than if it was facing away from you and everything. Sound occlusion is already in, but very simplistic, like there's an obstacle in the way and it muffles sound a bit.
That's cool.
The speed of sound and everything is what I kept my focus on for now.
Mm-hmm. Wait, was that just the sound there?
I really do want to like eat this terrain. I don't even know what it would taste like, but I do want to eat it.
I heard my name.
Cyan, you might know.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Mm.
I'm gonna log out.
So the world that we were just in, it used to have sound fall off.
That's what I really want.
Sound.
When you got far away from something, it would like get quieter. But now, after they did updates, it seems like when you get within distance, the music instantly turns on.
So
Did they change how the fall off works?
I don't know when you like first had the world, but there is like, what is it? The spatial audio component or whatever that VRChat requires, and so like they have some really annoying settings that like people like don't fully know. So typically I would just like say like use the audio source settings and completely ignore whatever those settings were. So it's just like
Yeah, because I was using spatial audio with the orbs. You know what I'm talking about?
wait, say it again.
And
Anyone who got on stage.
one sec, it's so loud.
Yeah, I'm lowering my audio.
Yeah, me too. No, so I was using spatial audio, and I had it to where it had a good fall off. Like the closer you got to the bar, the louder the music got, or the closer you got to a jukebox, you actually hear it coming directly from the jukebox. But then all of a sudden, I don't know if there was an update or something, but it changed it completely. So now you get within a certain distance, it turns the music on almost. It's like hardly any fall off anymore.
I would say just you might have to check your audio source settings and like the spatial settings again. Like I'm not sure what happened, but like VRChat audio is really difficult.
Air had the same thing.
If it's
That was I think I figured out how to fix it in Udon.
you shouldn't need to fix it in Udon.
Screen share what I did. But it's not local in Udon, so like only if you have a button where you click, only you can hear the music. Like if I had a like in the Laughing Lizard, if I click a button, I'll hear Smash Mouth, but you won't. But if I have the audio source normally, like in the Bounce Around world, everybody will hear it.
So it's just kind of audio is just difficult in VRChat right now, just because we can't test it in Unity.
You can't test it in Unity?
Not properly, no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I was wondering if you. Oh.
What were you gonna say?
Oh shoot. I was wondering if there was a way to get. You know how like audio's in a bubble? I wonder if you can do it in a cylinder.
I don't think you can do it in a cylinder unless you just manually like adjust the volume with Udon.
You.
Okay.
Yeah. Like audio sources are all spherical, but and we currently do not have a built-in solution for not making them spherical.
Yeah, that's because that's a Unity limitation, though. I was wondering because like once you bounce so high, the music goes away. So I just made the bubble bigger, trying to
FaZe,
figure out ways.
you are next, by the way.
Bubble butt. Okay, let's go, FaZe. Oh, I like the butter cave.
The butter cave.
That was fun.
Do you have anything you want to say before yours, FaZe? I kind of assume you do. Do you have anything you want to say before dropping a portal?
Oh, not really.
Oh, well then drop the portal whenever you're ready.
Wait, who's the one dropping a portal?
It's FaZe.
Maybe we can fly the jet.
I don't see them.
I'm sorry, I can't ride in the jets. Cyan, did you get a chance to ride in the jets?
Not this time.
It's the same.
Oh,
okay.
wait, it's FaZe.
That's why I didn't go through it.
Cyan, is it the last world, or do we have like...
We have 2 more.
2 more. This one and Dinky.
I mean, we lost like 30 minutes because of the crashing.
Yeah. Alright.
It'll be quick? Okay. I'm...
Did we finally solve it?
How many people is it today?
No, probably not.
Wait, how many worlds do we have left?
This one and one more.
Will I survive? Let's find out. You know why? Because it's close to 3 in the morning. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Will you survive? I mean, I don't expect them to be long. FaZe said this one would be quick, and I don't think Dinky's will be that long.
Alright, cool. If I actually managed to pull all the way through to the end of the meetup, achievement unlocked. We went through all that.
Oh yeah, I know. That was like, looking at the timing, I was kind of amazed that it's sort of working out.
Literally, when Squid was like, if anyone's gonna show anything, please step up to the circle. I saw a freaking army walk up there. I'm like, oh no.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Like, uh-oh, this is gonna take a while. Yeah, it's almost 12 a.m. for me. Jesus Christ.
We should probably go through the portal though, because I think.
This one, and then there's one more world. See,
yeah. You guys got this.
Yeah. Okay.
Quick one. Oh, that was loud.
Demkeys, I don't see one on Demkeys.
I'm just gonna wait for everybody to load, because right now I'm assuming most don't.
I don't see it on you, Eric.
But I think that's just because he's on a generic avatar, and it uses the head position. So. Oh yeah, you see, you can
I'm gonna say I joined in like almost last, so it's like I don't see most of them yet.
Yeah, give it a second.
No, I know. I'm not saying it's wrong. It's just kind of like it takes a long time to initialize.
Whose avatar ends with TM?
Yeah. If necessary, though, I can manually.
Please pick it up.
This is working like 100% for me.
Yeah.
Not a single one is like out of place.
Wait, I even have one? I guess I do have one.
I create the panel.
You do, yeah.
It's missing on like 4 or 5 people.
You know what, Satari? I'll give you local only permissions, okay?
Oh, okay, good enough for me. I don't
Oh,
want to
it's
anyone else anyway.
desyncing now.
If you have them perf blocked, does that break it? Because I saw someone come in without one.
Entirely
Cyan,
What?
have you looked at your own name yet?
I have seen my own
So
name.
that person over there is perf blocked and they don't have one. Oh no, it just popped up. Asuna. Okay, I see them.
I'm still waiting.
I'm not seeing them above half of my friends.
Honestly, it's kind of.
Anyone else?
You know, I'm wondering if this is relating to the issue of like, did they ever actually fix the object sync issues? I mean, it affected SDK2 a lot, where it's just like, if you join in late, you do not see the owner.
Yes, I had to, what I'm doing is that when someone joins, I'm, first of all, buffering it, so that, wait a second, and then, the master takes everything back, and then everyone else will...
Wait, every time somebody joins?
Back individually. Not, well, if a bunch of people join in a row, it waits until it's settled by a second. But then, once that's settled, then the master takes them all, and then everyone gets spread back out. And the reason I can do that is because it's 100% deterministic. There's no synced variables and no send custom network rights. So everyone knows exactly which one they need to take without needing to consult with anyone else whatsoever.
It's all deterministic? How are you assigning them?
Yes. So there's player IDs, and everyone gets a unique player ID. It starts with 1, and it counts up. And all I do is I count, I have an array of all the players, and I check, okay, how many have a player ID that is lower than my number, and then that number is my index. And then that index is used to take, that's the ID of the object that I take ownership of.
Wait, how is that deterministic?
Because the player ID is consistent. And everyone has their own unique player ID.
Well, no, if like you said, how many players are less than me that are still like, is that including people that were like in the instance, or is like this, like if I'm 50, it doesn't matter how many are in the instance?
If you are 50 and then there's someone else who has like a 40 and someone else who has a 30, then you are your index is 2 because there are 2 people with an index lower than you or with a number lower than you.
So it only works like if you tell everybody to reset, kind of thing.
Yes.
What do you mean? If I tell? Yeah.
Well, no, like
I mean,
it's deterministic at one point, but.
No, it's deterministic.
But like, so let's say when someone comes in and grabs item number 2, some people come and leave, someone else comes in and grabs item number 2. What happens?
Oh, so let's say you had 50, someone else had 40, someone else had 30. If number 30 leaves, then you become number 1. So it is not guaranteed.
So you constantly swap them.
The same object. Yes. And
So
for that reason,
is this
you
synced?
should not be storing any sort of game state inside of these. These should be slaves to a local object. You can store synced variables inside of them, but they should not be storing the game state. They should be displaying the game state.
Okay.
So the objects are basically synchronized. That's a bit of a problem in some way. What do you mean? If the objects that is displaying the names are synchronized, not necessarily the name inside them, but if the object itself is synchronized, that's a bit of a performance problem.
I mean, well, yes, but there are only, if there are 40 people in the instance, only 40 objects will be enabled. And then there's 80 objects that exist, but all the other 40 are completely disabled. And if there's only
But couldn't they all
people,
just be local instead of being synchronized?
Sorry? What do you mean?
No, you need some form of like assigning objects though. Like that's the whole point of this system.
Yeah. Yeah, you can't just instantiate objects.
You just use the on-player join event and on-player lead.
No, you can't. Not if you plan to instantiate objects, because you can't instantiate synced objects. They have to exist in the world from the start.
Okay, I'm seeing some people not have a tag right now though, but I'm assuming that's just.
Oh, you do?
That's just like.
I see the dem keys and whoever's name ends with TM. There's a 0 because they have generics.
Well, no, the people that I don't see like.
Head position, so.
I don't see Flowers. I don't see is that Dragonos. I don't see Passy. I don't see Mr. Dummy. I don't see Durs. I see Dimkeys in the center. I don't see constipations. I don't see. Oh, there now it is. Flowers still doesn't have one.
I think Sean's gonna try rejoining, see if the name.
Every time you do that, everybody just lags.
Do we not know whose name ends in
It's like, I can see it. I can see it above my head. Yeah.
No, I mean it's just like for me personally, I can't see yours.
Yeah.
I can't see
Yeah, a bunch of people can.
It's a photo shoot time.
They can't see it by any chance.
Hmm.
So that you can find what the ID is.
I'm not sorting everyone because I don't care about everyone. I only care about myself.
Yeah, like you have to check. Wait, how many are in front of you?
All I care about is how many people have an index lower than me, and that's it. So it's a
But you have to count them.
linear thing.
So you're saying you're above everyone.
So you iterate at worst 80
So I rejoined. How long should it take for it all to catch up?
But after 10 seconds, well, actually it's 5 seconds by default. But if there's more people, it increases the time. It will, after a certain amount of time, if it still hasn't successfully caught everyone, then it will send one event out to the master specifically, who will reboot everything, the whole process.
Okay. Yeah, because I'm seeing Signos, you, Centauri, Guribo, Dragkin, those all don't have one. Kid Cuisine.
Hey Fiona, okay. I just gave you access to the panel. If you reach up to your left shoulder, tell me, like, is it saying something about? Yeah, left shoulder. Like up, way up, way up.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't feel.
The stars.
Let me try.
Is it trigger or grab?
It's grab.
Because I never got mine either.
What are we looking for?
Yeah, see, I'm still not sure how much networking.
Fiona looks like she's exercising right now.
Yeah, she's still.
We don't have the panel.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, I don't have one.
What face? It's local. It's like.
Signos got one now. Dragon's
No, I didn't give it to
You
her.
still don't.
You still have the name, bro.
Signos still doesn't. Centauri still doesn't. You're nameless.
Oh, I'm nameless.
Yeah.
Everybody
I actually prefer this.
Actually, if you rejoin to the work, oh no, your name showed up.
Well, now one shows up.
Alright, I'm going to rejoin.
Dragon, yeah, it is catching up. Dragon just got one. Dragon just
Flowers still doesn't have one for me though.
Right now, Cygnus is the only one. Cygnus is.
It's different per person, I think. I see Signos's, but
Now he has a name.
No, Signos has finally showed up. Centauri just defies names.
I think each person just has one that's broken.
Has one for me. Every single one works for me. I don't know.
Why is it you that like nobody seems to be able to see yours?
I can see you,
Centauri can.
I can too. I can see everyone's.
Every single person here has a working nameplate for me.
So for me,
I know I have zero issues.
Everybody's nameplate except for yours.
Yeah, that's what it seems to be. It's like vice versa for every single person. I don't know.
Choke your nameplate for a bit of time and added the name to with the head so the text was extra bright and you didn't have your name.
I don't know.
Yeah, but you know your name has a name.
I know about.
Yeah,
You got it
and
back.
it's still not perfect. I mean, I think with this many people, but yeah.
Yeah. That's it. It just works.
It's so close. It like everyone did catch up except for Flower and Curry just
Oh, now I see Flower. I don't know what you just did, but it lagged a lot.
Yeah, what did you do?
Somebody probably joined in a reset.
I have a name.
Wait, where's
You have a name.
name now? Where'd Centauri go? I want to see. Does she have a name?
I had a name.
It does.
did you steal?
Yeah, whatever just happened, fix it.
Oh,
I
oh,
think
there's Aaron.
I need to increase the time that it takes to wait, because right now it's 5 plus the number of the square root of the number of players. So it's like if there's 40 people, the time would be something around 12 seconds. And I think I need to double that, or make it like 5 plus square root times 2 or something. That might help. And then it would give it more time to settle, because right now it's not having enough time to settle, and then it's panicking and saying restart the whole process, which makes it not able to settle.
Gotcha. Yeah, I mean, so like this is kind of the worst case, right? Is like reloading and you have to download everyone's avatars. Now imagine if we all had very pores. I mean, like it could literally take some people like 5 minutes to load everyone in the instance. So but that's pretty edge case.
How about now? Are you able to receive commands? Fiona, are you able to get the panel?
I'll tell them. Hey, thanks for having me. I'm gonna head out now.
All right, thanks for joining.
See you guys.
Wait,
We went a
should I be
little
able
bit
to
overworld.
see it? Or just feel it.
Yeah, you should be able to feel it, and then well, if not, then that
Okay.
was a major problem. If the sync trigger isn't able to be
We should probably move on to the next world though, but it's like we did get to test a lot of things.
Yeah, we're already over, so let's do. We better do Dinky.
Dinky, do you have anything you want to say before your world?
Definitely a problem that it's been trying to be solved for a very long time.
And this is one of the reasons why I decided to, wait on Udon. Somebody else could solve the problem before me, or, VRChat would actually make it better.
You could make a game object that is spinning in a circle, has position sync on, and if you sync verbs on that one, it will always sync in within a second.
Oh. Or what do you mean? What?
Okay, Dinky, do you want to say anything before your world?
Yeah.
Okay, let's gather everybody. Well, I'll just put quiet, please, and then go towards the center. Oh. Or yeah, just pick a spot and we'll put it there.
You make sure it syncs very well. Are you saying you only move it when you want to sync?
Okay, everyone, quiet, please, and listen to Dinky.
Hey, I'm here.
Hey guys.
You are here.
So this week I made like a little enemy village, and it's fully destructible. So you can hit the village with weapons. You can throw enemies into it, and it'll break. There's an inventory system. I have it now so we can change the rebinding. So if normally you click both of your chat menu buttons, the inventory table will be in front of us, and on the right side at the top it says menu left, menu right, and menu left plus right. That's the binding to bring your inventory with you. So if you have bindings that are different, you could change it to menu left button or menu right button. I think this world's gonna have really bad performance, and I'm sorry for that. If anyone's just chilling and you're in a good vibe in this nice world that's very performant, feel free to hang out here. If you want to come see this world, I would love to have you.
We've got a nice
But they're the last world anyway, so we can just end with you and crash, right?
Yeah, if you crash it, it's probably good enough time to get off anyways. But this is it.
Yep.
Alright, I will drop in plus portal.
Alright, I sent in my will and I've built my grave.
No, there is to help a little on performance. I got lazy with how it loads, but basically you have to walk to a certain area to turn on the village. It's not on until you walk there, and I didn't put any indication to it. So just walk forward and you'll get into it. There's weapons on a table.
Hey Dinky, if I use my Dusty Bird avatar, can I just walk through the village and everything just collapses?
Oh no.
I wanna.
There's toggles on the inventory to turn on kicking and punching.
Can I throw you into the building?
I basically destroyed.
But then would I actually have to kick and punch as opposed to sit here and be lazy?
I really want to see people play this, but I feel like we're all just gonna not make it.
You don't think we're gonna make it?
I'm scared. Let's find out.
Does damage? On the door.
I don't know. If you drop avatars themselves can just walk through.
I need a third arm that just. covered by my face at all times. It's very convenient.
I recommend it, really. Good stuff.
Alright, let's give it a try.
As soon as I have a buffer that like after 1 second, they'll all clear.
I was wondering how you would handle that.
Yep. Yeah, I don't do anything.
Why do you, if everything is local, why do you use player ID?
Because player ID is how I determine what index you are, and what index you are is how I determine which object you are.
Menu. Inside your inventory you have mobile, tonic, crouch, and open line menu. Will it grab it all? Damn.
Oh.
There it goes.
I don't know if it's the world or it's just me lagging once I get in here.
If you turn it upside down, it empties.
So wait, what are we supposed to do with all this?
Really hurt when I got in here, but it's
I'm just grabbing them all and throwing them inside my inventory right now.
Wait, how do we get the inventory again? Oh, I don't have the ability to inventory. I don't have both buttons.
Both menu buttons.
No, go over here and you're gonna hit the menu L button and it'll pop up.
Okay, so I don't know where you are.
Let me put it over there.
Oh, that's cool.
Get in there.
We were.
Hey, Cyan.
Hmm?
We're just
Yeah?
gonna fill up the inventory because
I wasn't able to hear earlier due to the desync thing. Did Dinky mention whether this is possible to play on desktop or no?
Dinky.
Oh, so you can add stuff to your inventory?
Oh, I don't know if he's able to listen. He didn't mention it specifically, but Dinky, can you hear us?
everything goes in the inventory. Just all of it.
Wait, he's really lagging.
Put in there. Hey Sarah, how you doing? Yeah. Oh. It's gonna be a little bit laggy in here. Loading in. You're in the middle of my inventory. That's why
I can't see him like talking at all. It's just like, what if he can hear us, but we just can't hear him?
my inventory is kind of spazzing out.
Magic.
Oh no.
It's spazzing out. We can put this in the middle.
That's because it's based on the origin point of the object.
It's like shrinking and growing.
Okay.
Shrinking and growing. Okay, I wonder what the origin is of the.
Origin point has to be inside Fiona.
There, got it. Okay.
Yeah.
And then let's get.
So.
Okay, we got that. Got that. We got my default sword. Sword of defaultness. That's right.
Ow, what the hell? Whoa!
Oh, that's how this
Which
works.
direction is the village?
Did you get it?
Is it there?
I think so.
Everyone's over here, so I'm
I
assuming.
don't
What
know.
do you get?
I got the bow and I got the axe. I got 2 axes.
How do you load them up though?
I'm trying. You just jam them in your box.
Jam it in the box.
Just jam it in the box.
I don't understand how you put that in
Didn't come out quite right, did it?
So you're supposed to open the menu or your inventory by pressing, what is it? Both menu buttons, but you can change.
Yeah. Open up your menu, and then you get.
Okay.
And then you get a nice table. You get a table that has,
Oh, there we go.
Grab an arrow with the other. Yeah.
Like what?
What?
I don't understand.
I didn't see the.
You know your quick menu?
Yeah, I didn't see the quiver until I looked up and it was directly.
Is everyone just like sticking all the items in
For
there?
me, it's right here. It's a big table.
Look next to you when you hold the bow with one
What do you mean I see a table here?
Like,
Yeah,
if you
the
hold it
table
with your...
has like a black box in it.
And then
Wait,
pull
where's
the
the
arrow.
You take your
Oh,
sword, you put it in the black box.
How do you use the
There you go.
grappling hook? I can't use it.
Oh shit. I dropped my bow.
Real dinky.
It's funny when you die. It's like, we'll be right back.
What?
Where's the box?
I feel like my trackers are messed up there.
Come on, come on, I destroy you, big man. I destroy you.
I wanted to see if they had automatic physics, but no, this one just floats for me.
Chop in. Chop, chop. Okay, I want to go kill some more dudes.
Oh my god, my arrow destroyed a whole freaking fence? What's in these arrows, man?
So it's really entertaining to use the spear and just like fling them in the air.
Yeah, just they're standing in a building. There you go.
Oh, something glowing over there. Oh, there's a big one.
And down the hill again.
What is the hill for? Where do your weapons go when you die?
Hey, Dinky, I hate the giant. He has some weird hitbox where you can hit something on his shoulder
Alright,
that's not
okay, where's my
visible and your arrows get
my
stuck there.
inventory? Okay, we're gonna use the speed.
Oh yeah, they have
Okay, the bow and arrow doesn't really help. I fired one right into one of the orcs, like literally in his eye, and he still ran after me.
Without hitting the shoulder.
He didn't die.
It's if you've played Dark Souls, it's a bonfire, and in your inventory there's little healing elixirs. If you smash the top off of them and dump them, you can drink them to heal. And if you touch them into the crystal, they refill. So it's like, and as well when you go near the crystal and it does its little effect, your inventory table has a teleport point up here. It's like fast travel.
My respawn point got me inside of the mountain. When I died, I just got dropped on the mountain.
I don't know what that is. The respawn point.
Whoa, the blood and gore.
Aw, you can't.
They do look like Shreks. They do. This is a big guy. He's.
Where did my sword go?
Can you do anything to this? Everything just blows up.
I'm gonna make this building fall down on me.
I lag when it. That way I just lost it.
It's a Minecraft building, it's floating midair now for me.
Yeah. Okay.
I spawned way over there.
I'm just gonna put that up so it's like we're a little past, but you know.
Like literally way.
Yeah. Oop, wrong one. I don't know what like it's saying there, but it's like okay. Hopefully I have the right one showing.
was a nice view. I won't lie.
You did. It says thanks for
No, I saw it, like it switched to thanks for or rejoin the hub, and I was like, wait, nope, don't do that.
Oh my god, that's the best.
Wait a minute.
But yeah.
You know about how the issue where every avatar's bones have different orientations?
No, I don't know how to solve that yet. I just use sliding my sword here to let people adjust it.
I do.
Oh, I see.
And I can't imagine it's
Yeah. Yeah,
Hey, thank you.
Like you kind of just have to make assumptions, but you can make educated guesses. Like you can compare, you know, my arm bone is here, and my hand bone is here. So most likely, my hand is going to be pointing in that direction. So, you know, you could just make, you could just like make an automatic configuration, and then if that's wrong, you
I
can
definitely just didn't grab something out of my inventory to stab you
Or
with.
you can say,
I definitely didn't just grab something out of my inventory either. Mainly because my inventory's over there.
You know what? I'm gonna get the hammer.
You kind of get like distance between bones and use that.
Ow. 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 Ow.
I'm gonna get the tiny little knife.
Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna spawn my inventory on you. Bam, you're on the table.
with that orientation, and then you can get.
No. Can I actually mine this one with a...
Okay, that makes sense. Because I know people have worlds where you can T-pose or just when you
I'll
load
see.
kind of based
I'll
on
take a break.
figures.
Do
That does
improv.
make sense if you just
Get some food.
math between bones.
I'll probably take a nap. I'm tired.
Right, I'm done spawning on the red mountain.
Yeah. But you made it to the end of the meetup. The longest meetup.
Unfortunately, when SDK3 avatars came out,
These are fine.
like that anymore. So.
Aside from a few hiccups, it was okay, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
I think he might have.
Okay.
Got enough, maybe.
I'm gonna head off for the night then. Or for the day. It's not that late for my end. But bye.
Simple idea I'm gonna do that'll mostly look okay, but the guys that made
Like, thank you. The two
Thank you.
standing inside the building holding the spear.
Oh my god, this guy's still after me!
Alright, that was the community meetup. A long meetup this time. Thank you for watching us, you know, as we go through all the crashing events. But yeah, till next week.